can you walk into my room like that? Lawrence, why are you carrying a cutlass?
It's time for you to say your last prayer.
What kind of joke is that?
You will find out soon.
How do you want to die?
Please stop talking about death. What is wrong with you both?
We will not stop until you are dead.
Can you stop uttering those words? We are family.
Do you think we are here to argue with you? Huh? So do you think we are here to joke with you? Yeah? Do you think?
I hope that dude was not serious with what he said.
He was.
No, he can't be serious.
Bro, but you heard him clearly. He was serious, he wasn't joking.
Does it mean you've forgotten our agreement? Before you got into school?
No, I've not forgotten.
So why are you acting contrary to that?
Bro, see, by the end of the year, I'm going to be a graduate. And the next thing is to get married and live happily ever after.
Just in case you have forgotten, let me refresh your memory. The agreement was that you and Lawrence would go into school, graduate, get employed, work for about 5 years, establish yourselves, have a bearing in life before thinking about marriage.
But getting married cannot stop us from getting a good job.
I'm not going to get into this argument with you. You will not marry that nincompoop, and that's final.
No, bro. The decision to get married is solely mine, and there's nothing you can do about it.
How dare you talk to me like that? You will not marry that thing, and you will go out there and tell him to leave my compound. Young man, I was about coming outside to see you before you maneuvered your way into my living room uninvited.
Okay.
Since you're here, I might as well tell you, you cannot marry my sister.
Hmm?
Lawrence, come. There's something you need to see.
What is it?
It's better seen than said. Come and see things for yourself.
Listen, if you have anything to say, you say it here. I am not going anywhere with you.
Okay, I saw just now trying to poison my food.
So? Is that what you want to show me?
Yes, Because I don't want to seem as if I'm making it up. I want you to see things with your eyes.
Justina is very stupid. I mean, she's very stupid. Why would she mess up the plans?
Wait. Are you in this plan together to poison me?
Yes. Oh, yes. But in no time, very soon, you'll be a dead man.
He will eat and die.
You messed up things already.
How do you mean?
He saw you lacing the food with poison.
What? How?
You're asking me how? That is because you are careless. Why would you make such mistakes? Huh?
Oh my God. But I targeted him well. I made sure he wasn't in the dining when I laced the food with poison. What are you saying?
No, you didn't. You didn't.
Oh my God. Lawrence, I'm sorry I messed up. So what are we going to do?
Let me think of something. Okay?
From all indications, you want me dead.
Yes.
Why?
Are you asking that question? You already know the reason.
I don't know why you want me dead. If I knew, I would not be asking you. So kindly tell me why you want to kill me.
Brother, you are evil.
Me? Evil?
Oh yes, you are evil. You are not only evil, but you are a wizard with a high rank. But let me tell you something. No matter how powerful you are in your coven, we will definitely kill you. Unless you leave this house for us.
Yes! Pack and leave. You must leave this house for us.
Is something wrong with your heads? Have you forgotten this house belongs to me? I pay the bills here and I pay your individual bills?
We know that. But we can as well take care of ourselves in your absence.
Henceforth, I have my eyes on you. Any further attempt at my life, I will have you both arrested.
Good morning, biggest brother.
Hope you guys had a good night.
Sure.
I can see you both are enjoying your holidays.
Sure.
You can say that again.
Is Mama still asleep?
She's awake.
Oh, I wonder what she's still doing in her room.
She'll soon come down. You know, Mama.
Anyways, I'll be on my way to work now.
Okay.
Bro, don't forget to get me my pepperoni pizza and ice cream.
I won't forget it.
So that means I will also get my chicken.
Sure.
Have a good day.
Thank you. I'll run along. See you when I'm back.
Take care of yourself, brother.
All right. Wow.
You see, Lawrence, my desire in life is to have one big happy family where everyone lives as one, where everyone feels at home without fear of his or her life being at stake.
Mom, where is this coming from?
My son, My prayer is that we'll be one indivisible family.
Mom, you are still confusing me. I mean, where is this coming from?
Hold on, baby. You really mean it.
But that is the truth.
You're so funny.
It means you have not tried that before.
I haven't.
That means you're still behind schedule.
Really?
Really?
Okay.
And that would be the best experience you ever have if you try that with me.
Mr. Home Alone, I think we could try it.
Oh, yeah? Close your eyes.
Oh. Like this?
Like that. Just close it.
That close?
All right. Don't open. Don't open.
Lawrence!
Brother? Brother. Welcome, brother.
Good afternoon, sir.
Lawrence.
Okay, brother.
And you. I don't want to see you here when I come downstairs. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Lawrence!
Brother?
Meet me upstairs.
You have to go, okay? I'll see you later. Please. All right? Please.
What's the meaning of that, Lawrence?
I'm sorry.
So you have brought this your lifestyle in school to this house?
No, brother, no.
What do you mean no? Only this week you have come to this house with 3 different girls and you're telling me no.
Brother, the girl that visited me on Monday was just my coursemate and nothing more. I swear.
Lawrence, I've told you before, and it bears repeating. Face your studies. Focus on school, come out with good grades, get a job and build a career. Distraction from these women will lead you astray. Okay?
I'm sorry.
It's not just being sorry. Put it to work. Listen to me, Lawrence. You and I are the only male children in this family. You have to work hard, be resourceful, just like I'm doing now. Don't destroy your tomorrow with distractions from these women. If you destroy yourself, when that tomorrow comes, what happens?
I promise to change.
For your sake, I pray you do. For your own good.
Everything I do is for you, to see that you are living a good life. See a good future for you guys. My siblings, my all, my family.
I don't want to see you come here. For what? What exactly?
Merit, wait now. Merit, please. Please now.
Please what? Eh? Please what? I just want to be left alone. Leave me alone.
Okay, I'm sorry. It will never happen again. Please. I promise you that.
Really?
Yes, please.
You and I know that it is not true. It's not going to happen. You know how your elder brother talked to you? You know how rude he is to you? Eh? So why are you making it look like it's not going to happen again? Eh? How? Sometimes I wonder if you have a cell of your own.
Of course I do. Why are you sounding like that?
Then prove it to me. Did you see the way he spoke to me in there? Did you see it?
Merit, can we please forget about that? It's now in the past, okay?
How am I even supposed to forget about that? Eh? And who does he think he is?
Merit, can you please stop?
I said what I said. Who does he think he is? Eh? Because he's driving a car? Or because he has a good job, he thinks everyone around him should bow and worship him. I, Merit, will not do that.
Merit.
Yes.
Okay. I promise you, like I've said before, I promise you to not happen again. Okay?
I cannot.
I give you my word.
It should not. It should not happen again.
Come on, Merit. Come here. Merit? Come.
You're getting it all wrong, Justina. You're getting it wrong.
No, Mom. Doesn't mean brother doesn't want me to worship God or something.
How can you say a thing like that?
That's the truth. He has proven it by his actions. If not that I'm an adult, he would have prohibited me from going to church.
Oh, very good, then. Thank God you're an adult. Look, the bottom line is you should come home on time. It doesn't matter where you go, whether church or anywhere else. Learn to return home on time.
Mom, why do you sound like I go to lots of places, if not church? Mom, you should let me be.
You see, one of the problems you have is that you have failed to come to the sense of reasoning. Let me tell you something. You know your pastor has a car. And some of your church members also have their cars. But what about you? After service, while they drive themselves home, you will have to trek to a lonely junction to wait for a cab, isn't it?
But Mom, they drop me sometimes.
Sometimes they don't. And what happens when they don't? What happens? Look, all I am saying is that you should cut down on your late nights. You are a young girl and it's not good for you.
John, I will need you to go straight to the point so we can both be on the same page.
I made a mistake, and I'm ready to make amends.
We all make amends in life. It's normal.
But your friend doesn't see it that way.
What has he done?
He's holding on to my mistake of 3 years ago.
What?
Yes. He doesn't take my calls. He's refused to return my calls. Even my chats. He doesn't respond to them.
This is serious.
Sam, please. I really love your friend. I know that I've made a mistake. I'm willing to take whatsoever he dishes out as punishment for my misbehavior. I need him back in my life.
Okay, I'll talk to him and get back to you on whatever he says.
I would really appreciate that.
No problem. I'll do my part.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. All right, so I have to run now.
I'll be looking forward to hearing from you.
Most definitely, you hear from me.
All right, thank you.
Let me drop you off.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Where are you going?
Church.
Again? Is there nothing else you do with your time than to go to church?
I don't understand, Mom.
You don't understand. On Monday, you went to church. Tuesday, you were in church. Wednesday, you were in church. And today again, you carry Bible, you want to go to church. Is this how I raised you up? I didn't learn this from my mother. Oh. And I'm sure I have never given any one of you the impression that I am one of those women that lazy around church instead of looking for something meaningful to do with their precious time.
Mom, don't tell me you joined Brother Ejike in his Antichrist activities.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Because you should be happy that your daughter worships the Lord in truth and in spirit.
Of course I am happy. I am happy you go to church to worship God. But I will be happier if my precious, beautiful daughter looks for something meaningful to do with her precious time.
I see you need some explanations, Mom. We started the Monday prophetic declaration Monday meeting. And today is actually the last day. So you see, nothing you say can actually make me not go to church. You know what? I would have to go and I'm going to put in my prayers.
Justina, use your head. Use your head.
Mom, I'm using my head. I'll pray for you, don't worry. I'll pray for you. Bye.
For once, you arrived on time.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's be on our way.
No, not of course. You told me to stop using African time, and I'm glad.
It's going to help you a lot in business.
I so pray.
Let's be off.
Not yet, please. Ejike, I need us to discuss something.
Okay, what do you want us to discuss about?
Good. I was with Ujunwa.
No. Ujunwa is the last name I want to hear now, please.
Okay, fine. I won't mention her name. But she loves you and she's...
Listen, I've told you I do not want to discuss Ujunwa. Okay? I've told her I'm not marrying her, and that's final.
Ejike, you have carried these grudges for too long.
You know we're running late, right? I'll be waiting for you by the car.
You should just give love a second chance, eh?
Why did you stop?
Baby,
Yes, dear.
when will you give me the money you promised me?
I thought you said you would tell me the exact time you need the money. That is why I've not given it to you.
Oh well. I need it today.
Today? No. That is so sudden.
I know it's sudden, but it's an emergency. Something came up.
What happened?
My mother, she's sick.
What is wrong with her?
She fell down and broke her waist, and the herbal healer that is treating her said he needed money to commence with the treatment.
Yes. So, like how much are we talking about?
100,000 will do.
100,000 naira? Babe, I don't have such amount of money now. Yes.
Hey, okay. 50,000 will go a long way too. Oh, baby, I don't want my mother to die.
Oh, come on, eh? Your mother will not die, okay? Don't worry. Your mom will not die. Nothing will happen to your mother, okay?
That doesn't mean you give it to me.
Of course, I'll give it to you.
Hey.
You're my baby, right?
Baby.
Come on. Come here. I love you, okay?
Baby.
Not to happen to your mom, okay? I hope you're happy now.
How did it go?
He said no.
Did he tell you why?
No, he did not.
Sam, please. How best do I go about this? I really love your friend.
Ujunwa, are you one of the women who believes that their man's mother shouldn't be part of their relationship?
I don't understand. Why are you asking me that?
Uju, what I mean is, assuming talking to Ejike's mother is the only way out to get back to Ejike, will you be willing to do that?
Why would I do that? Is he such a mommy's boy that a lady would have to go through his mother to get to him?
I didn't say it the way you said it.
Sam, can you say it again so that I will understand? Because I don't know what his mom is doing in the relationship.
Okay, Uju, this is straight and very hard. A lot of men have gone through a lot in the hands of their women. So much so that they have reverted full force back to their mothers. All their secrets are with their mothers. They can hardly do anything without telling their mother. The world would insult them. The motivational speakers will call them names. That's fine, but it's working for them.
So, are you indirectly confirming to me that he is one of those men?
Tunwa, if you really love AJK and you want him back after all of these years, go and speak to the mother. It could work, but just give it a try.
Why don't you call him on the phone? Because I don't think he's coming back to the office.
Oh.
Or are you scared of calling your own brother?
No, not actually, but I think I have to call him, okay?
Okay.
Hello, brother. Yeah, I'm actually in your office. No, I was hoping I'm going to meet you here. An emergency came up in school and I need some money to sort it out. My school has started allocating hostel accommodation to everybody. And anyone who is interested in staying in the school hostel has been asked to pay 80,000 naira, brother. Yes, it's very comfortable, like very conducive. Serious? Oh, thank you very much, brother. Thank you. Thank you very much, brother. You are the best. Okay, brother. Thank you very much. God bless you. God bless you. Oh, thank you.
Father, thank you for everything you've been doing for my family. Thank you for my brother. Thank you for my brothers. Father, you are a wonderful God. You are a covenant-keeping God. You said in your word that we are going to possess all our possession. Holy Ghost fire, come down this night. Come down in this family. Come down in this family. Holy Ghost, come down. Come down and face your daughter. Come down, for the hour has come. You are the covenant-keeping God. You are the Lord that said, let it be, and it was. Oh Lord, Shatari Baba Leke Sekere Bobo Leka Sikaraba. Shintari Baba Lesekera Bobo Leka Sikaraka Bobo say, hey, Holy Ghost. Holy Ghost, I can feel your power. I can feel you in this room. I can feel you in this place. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus, for I know you are in this place. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you for I know you are in my family. I cover my mother. I cover my brothers. I cover myself with the blood of Jesus.
Hi, Justin again. What is wrong with this girl?
Father, you said in your word that the kingdom of God suffereth violence, and the violence will take it by force. Every spirit of death that is hovering in my family, I cast you out in the mighty name of Jesus. We shall continue to progress in this family. We will progress in the morning. We shall progress in the afternoon. We shall progress in the night. Holy Ghost, take over. Take over. This is the Holy Ghost family. This is the Holy Ghost family. Maya kasira baba legedegede bobo kelesa. Hey shara baba lakachikara bobo lekachikara baba. Hiya sakara baba labate. Mantele bobo sekerebo. Mantele bobo sekerebo. Mantele bobo sekerebo. Mantele sekerebo. Fire! 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 We need fire in this place. Fire! Fire! Holy Ghost fire! Holy Ghost fire!
Oh, why? Everything I do is for you.
Mom. Mom. sleeping here?
Nah, the room is noisy. The room is noisy.
You left the room to come and sleep in the living room because of the noise Justina is making there.
What would you have me do?
This is madness.
Ejike, Bia. What do you want to do?
I want to go and stop her.
Here, Bikupa. She's already calling us Antichrist. If you go in now, she will look for another name and give you. Please, just leave her.
I don't care what she calls me. This is our home, where we come back to comfort and peace after a hard day's work. Not a prayer mountain where prayer warriors congregate. No,
Ejike,
she cannot be stopped.
Ejike. What's all this thing now? Justina and prayer every time. I don't understand.
Honestly, Lawrence, I do not understand what is going on. From my own calculations, we'll be needing like 560,000 naira to go back to school. So why are you saying I should hold on when I've clearly told brother about the money?
What? You see the problem I have with you, Justina? You are too forward. Why will you tell brother about the money without telling me? Why?
What do you mean? When did that start? Haven't I been the one asking brother for the fees?
Justina, you see, something came up yesterday, so I have no option than to tell brother to give me some money so I can sort out my hostel fee.
Wait. I want to understand this. You asked brother to give you your hostel fees?
Mm-hmm.
Why? Lawrence, let it not be that merit girl that is propelling you to tell this lie.
Justina, come on. You are misunderstanding things here. Listen, Merit in question is my girlfriend. I mean, my babe. She had a problem that I need to solve.
Why are you even giving this girl so much attention? Okay, what if brother doesn't send the money?
He will send it.
What will you do?
He will send it.
Yes!
What is it?
Guess what, Lawrence? Brother just sent us the money and added extra 200,000 naira. Yes!
Wow!
F5.
Wow!
Oh my God.
Sure?
Come see. Look at it. See.
We're not true. Jesus Christ. Now, brother is just a God sent in this family.
I swear.
Jesus.
You know what? We have to go and start preparing to go back to school. Let's go.
Right now?
Let's go. Of course. The money is here.
I understand your intentions and I can see you're remorseful of your actions. I'll talk to him. Okay?
Thank you so much, Mom. Thank you so much.
It won't be easy though, but I'll try my best.
I know, Mama. Thank you.
All right. I'll get back to you as soon as I'm done talking to him.
I'd really appreciate that. Thank you so much.
It's all right.
I'll be expecting your call.
All right, my darling.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate this.
You're welcome.
I'll take my leave now.
All right. Please go well. Take care of yourself, huh?
Thank you so much.
All right. Bye. Bye. Hello, son. Good afternoon. How is work? I'm sure you're wondering why I'm calling. I know what I'm about to say now will provoke you so much that you'll start shouting. No. This is not about Justina and Lawrence. It's about Ujunwa. Hey, calm down. Calm down. Why are you getting angry unnecessarily? Why are you angry whenever I mention a woman? I know exactly what she did.
And she has a reason. I'm sure you would have done the same thing if you were in her shoes. Look. All I am doing is because I desire to have you married. Look, getting married will not distract you from doing what you're supposed to do. It will not. What is wrong with this boy? Why is he always flaring up whenever I mention a woman? What exactly is going on?
Good day.
I got you as soon as I got your message.
Yes. I'll go straight to the point so you stop moving from pillar to post with the hopes that I'm going to take a second look at you. You cheated on me. When I told you it was over between us, did you think I was joking?
Ejike, that was a mistake on my part. And I would not stop asking for your forgiveness.
I don't need your pleadings. Honestly, I bear no grudges against you. I just don't want us together. Why will you go and lie to my mother? My no is my no. And nobody will make me change my mind. That includes my mom.
Well, I'm sorry I spoke to your mother. I'm sorry.
I do not need your pleadings. I am not going to be with you, and that is final. Why is it difficult to understand?
Ejike, I really love you.
You do? If you did, you would not do what you did. Do you know what it felt like to learn you slept with my boss?
That was one mistake that I made that I deeply regret.
Well, the mistake has been made already. There's nothing we can do about it.
Ejike, please, can you give me one last chance to make things right? Please.
No.
Please.
I said no. If you don't mind, leave my office.
It's okay. I know you're kind of hot now, but maybe I'll go and come back later.
Don't come back to this place. Just go in peace.
Babe, what is it?
Guess.
Babe, tell me now.
Guess now.
I don't know, I can't.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay, close your eyes.
I should close my eyes.
Yes.
Okay. My eyes are closed.
Not yet. Alright, you can open.
Okay.
Please marry me.
But babe, we just started dating.
No, shh, don't say that. I know we just started dating. I don't want you to say anything. I'll just say yes. And I'll take care of you for the rest of our lives.
Of course, I'll marry you.
You like it?
Yeah, this is beautiful. Oh my God. It's beautiful.
Oh, I know it's beautiful. I love you more. And thank you for accepting to marry me.
You're
So now you
welcome.
make me a fool man. Alright, so come.
Oh my God.
Alright, so Ivy, what about you coming to my place over this weekend so we can start planning for the next phase of our lives together?
Okay, that won't be a problem.
Mm.
How can you walk into my room like that? Lawrence, why are you carrying a cutlass?
It's time for you to say your last prayer.
What kind of joke is that?
You will find out soon.
How do you want to die?
Will you stop talking about death? What is wrong with you both?
We will not stop until you are dead.
Can you stop uttering those words? We are family.
Do you think we are here to argue with you? Huh? So do you think we are here to joke with you? Yeah? Do you think...
Thank you for coming with this level of urgency. It shows that you are a credible friend to my son.
Thank you very much, Mom. I appreciate the compliment. Is there any problem? You sounded not too well over the phone.
Sam, your friend is scaring me.
How?
Did he tell you about the dream he had? The dream where his life is being threatened?
Yes, Mom. He told me a couple of times about it, and I told him to forget about the dreams. It's just a figment of his imagination.
Well, I'm sorry, Sam. Your friend did not listen to you.
How do you mean?
Ejike believes his siblings are evil and are planning to kill him.
Yes, you're right, Mom. He told me this a couple of times, and I tried to take his mind off it. I told him it's impossible, right? That Lawrence and Justina, that I know, are too innocent for those kind of things.
Sam, this is why I invited you. I want you to please help me and talk to your friend. Because this whole issue is taking it totally out of context, and this whole issue is tearing my family apart.
I understand, Mom. I'm so sorry for the troubles that you have to go through. He's my friend. I'll talk to him about it. So please do not lose any sleep over this.
Please, I'll be so happy if you do that for me.
I will.
I am counting on you.
I'll do my part. And thank you for trusting me. All right.
You are always welcome.
Thank you, Mom.
Hello.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Your boss, is he not in seat yet?
No, he isn't.
Oh. Do you have an idea of his whereabouts?
I'm surprised you asked that, ma'am. What am I supposed to know his whereabouts?
Okay. Can I wait, sit and wait for him?
Yeah, sure you can. But that would actually be at the reception because I was actually busy before you walked in.
Oh, okay. Yeah. That's okay. I'll wait now.
Yeah, thank you.
I have been waiting for almost an hour now. And you finally showed up.
What do you
With
want?
an attitude.
What do you want?
You know you don't need to fight this. The prophecy.
The prophecy is fake. And I will fight it until you understand that that prophet lied to you about me being your husband.
Of course, rejecting me is like running in the wrong direction. And trust me, you will never get to a glorious end.
Cynthia, as you can see, I came late for work. If you don't mind, leave my office.
Do you want to incur the wrath of God upon your life?
You are the one who will incur the wrath of God upon your life for believing a fake prophet. When I need to get married, I'll go get me a good woman and settle down with her. Not listening to fake prophets and their prophecies.
Ejike, they are not fake. Ejike, I am trying to protect you here. I don't want you making a mistake.
You are the one who is making a mistake listening to those people. You and I have no destiny together. The earlier you understand that, the better for us.
Disobedient. You know what happened to Jonah in the Bible? You know, right? You know what he went through for disobeying God.
Let that be my worry, Pastor.
It's okay, baby. I will just give you time. Okay? Think through this. Think about this.
I'm not thinking about anything.
No, you have to think.
No, I'm not thinking about anything. Just get going. And what if I'm more nature here? Okay?
Just think about it. Okay? Think about us.
Bro, I think I'll be going home by weekend.
Why?
Duke wants to come to the house and make his intention known.
Wow, that's nice. So, but I hope they are aware that you're coming home.
Just mom.
So, what about Brother Ejike?
I don't intend to tell him. If we just get there, he will see us.
But why?
I don't want him to discourage me. Oh. You know how he is.
All right. I wish you the best of luck.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I went to his office to have a conversation with him. But he didn't allow us to talk.
You see, one thing I will never do is discourage any woman from approaching my son. I mean, he's handsome, tall, rich, intelligent, and hard-working. So, he's qualified to have as many women as possible flaunt themselves around him. Whoever succeeds in winning his heart automatically stands the chance of having my blessings.
Okay. So from what you just said now, it appears that I'm not the only woman in the picture. I mean, there are other women in line. Huh? It's more like a competition. Is it?
My dear, you see, when I won his father, it was more of a competition because there were other ladies of my age bracket who were also interested in him. And they were beautiful women, beautiful ladies, beautiful, and they were doing their best. But in the end, I was the only one who was qualified to be called his wife.
That's really weird. I mean, sorry, I am not wired that way, okay? I am a simple woman by nature. I don't fight over men.
Oh no, you're getting it all wrong. You are getting it all wrong. Nobody's asking you to fight for a man. As a matter of fact, fighting for a man is quite different from going for a man of your dreams. And as a beautiful lady who has given me the impression of class and maturity, I think you should also know how to go for what rightly belongs to you, or let me say, a man of your dreams. You should know how to play your card well. Like they say, if you know, you know.
Madam,
It went so well. The conversation I had with his mom was really, really fruitful. And I picked few points. I learned a lot.
Madam, I go appeal if Naima got married at the end. Yes, nah.
Why did you say so?
Madam, you know, say I did this gate. Everything where they come inside, they go outside, they see all of them, they finish. All the women where they come. Now, only you be the woman we say, get something where we say, I don't see no other woman get her. And they pray me go just do and say, now you go, my guy will just marry.
Hold on. So you are confirming to me now that AGK brings in girls into the same house that he stays with the mom and the siblings?
Me, I not talk that one, no.
No, but you just confirmed it.
No.
You just confirmed it.
No, now you know the hear English where you go listen. Now only 3. No be food. Now they only they call for my guy come. So no my guy they call them. Now they find my guy they come. No sure. I not talk that one, no.
So you're saying that AGK brings in numerous girls into this house?
Madam, no they miss this English. Not be numerous 3. And not only they come.
You call 3 only? Really? So AGK has been cheating on me.
Not be cheating matter now.
He cheats on me. You know what?
Now only the women they find and they come.
I will confirm what you just told me. I have to go to him and tell him everything you just said.
But how you go tell him?
You just told me that he cheats.
No, don't be cheating and he talk. I don't know what talk be that too.
He brings in girls into this house.
No, don't be like that.
He cheats on me. That's what you just said right now.
No, now they find my guy they come here. Now they find my guy they come. I don't go lie for you now.
Get the date.
You never give me something. You never give me something.
So I'm going to talk to you about my boss. Maybe share some vital information about him. Okay?
Okay. That will be really appreciated.
Yeah. So first off, he doesn't like you. It seems like your presence irritates him a lot. Do you know why that should be?
I think that has to do with the same thing his mother complained about. Yes. Women throwing themselves at him. I feel maybe that's why he hasn't really managed to concentrate on me.
Really? Okay. So, you told my boss about a prophecy. Do you mind sharing?
You are the office secretary. Do you discuss unofficial matters with your boss?
Cynthia, it appears to me you don't want to respond to my question.
So it's not like I don't want to respond to your question. Yes, a prophecy came up and I discussed it with him. I don't know. He's still not coming around. So I strongly believe it's basically because of these women that are throwing themselves on him. He hasn't really been opportuned to see me for who I am.
Okay. I have a question. So does this prophecy has anything to do with you being his wife?
So if the prophecy has anything to do with me being his wife, do you happen to have a problem with that?
Excuse me. My boss is calling. I have to take this. Hello, sir. Yes, sir. I am at the office.
Think you will leave me and fall in love with another man, all in the name of nonsense prophecy. We both know there is no prophecy anywhere. You just want to force yourself on him, all in the name of prophecy, because the guy is cool, handsome, and rich. But I will not allow it happen. I am going to start with the one.
She wants to be my boss's wife, and she's ready to do whatsoever it takes just to achieve her objective. But I have been instructed not to allow her into this office again. How in the world is she going to achieve this objective now?
So if the prophecy has anything to do with me being his wife, do you happen to have a problem with that?
But in all fairness though, she's not bad. She's not bad to be my boss's wife. But why is he so resistant about this? Why doesn't he like her?
You're welcome.
Thank you, Mama.
It's about the lady that came here this morning.
Oh, okay. What about her?
I see your wife in her.
Mom.
I mean it. I'm serious.
Mom, I'm not talking about marriage now. We still need Justina and Lawrence to get done with school. Get employed. Get some stability before I can settle down. So that the load will be off my shoulder.
Ejike, you are my first son. By now, I should have carried like one or two of your children. Why are you keeping me waiting for this long?
I know what I'm doing, Mom. Don't worry, I'll get married soon.
Ejike, I'm worried.
You don't have to be. We'll sort this thing out. Okay?
Another thing is that I want you to subpedal on the way you talk to women. Gentlemen like you. Don't get angry with women, talk to them anyhow, no matter the level of provocation.
How do you mean?
You were very harsh on Uju the last time. And you know, it's not every woman that will take that from a man and still want to marry the same man.
Mom, Uju deserves everything I told her. And I'm not remorseful for that.
I agree with you. Fine. She was wrong. But then I wanted to look at it from her own perspective. She's a young woman. Not every lady will go through that kind of temptation and still stand.
Mom, I need to freshen up. We'll continue this conversation later. Listen, Molo.
I already told you. I just want to know everything that needs to be known about your boss. You know, the things he likes, what he hates. Just tell me, please.
Are you talking about the characters he doesn't like in a woman, or the kind of gifts he likes receiving from women?
everything. Tell me everything about him. I need to know.
You're going to pay me for all this work?
You know that's not a problem. I will, okay?
Never mind. I was only joking.
No, it doesn't matter if you were joking or not. I will surely reward you. So please.
There is no need for that.
I will do something, okay?
First, I want to tell you that my boss is a loving person. Easy to cool and very straightforward.
Okay.
Because he's a straightforward person, he likes people who are straightforward too.
Aha! I mean, that makes the both of us. Because I am a straightforward person. Like, I am so straightforward. Very straightforward.
He hates lies and secrecy. Even if you're wrong, still tell him the truth.
I hate lies as well. I don't even lie. I mean... Okay, so, what about gifts? I mean, what kind of gifts does he like?
He's a fan of rose flowers. He used to love berries a lot, but he stopped. Now he simply loves good wristwatches. Then he's a sucker for good perfumes.
I feel like he's my twin already. I mean, my husband. Anyway, thank you so much. I will still call in case I need more info. Okay. Send me your card number. Yeah, come on, send it.
Actually right. I was too harsh on Ujungwa, and she may have been offended. I don't like it when women are stupid.
If my actions pisses you off, I'm sorry. It's just that...
Sorry for your stupid self. What is wrong with you? What is difficult in understanding that I am no longer interested?
Ejike, can you tell me why?
And you think I'll answer that stupid question?
You just referred to me as stupid.
You're not just stupid. You are very, very stupid. You think you can break my heart and come back to be together with me? Are you insane? Now get out of my house.
Ejike, I'm not going anywhere. Please, I want you to forgive me. Why is your heart so hardened? Have I done what no other lady has done before?
You have done what no lady will do to me and still remain in a relationship with me. If you do not get out of this place this minute, I'm going to call the police.
Baby.
How dare you touch me with those filthy hands?
Ejike, you hit me.
That was indeed too harsh. What do I do now? What do I do?
Hello? How are you doing today, Secretary? I'm fine. Who is this, please? My identity is of no importance to you. Then what do you want?
You committed murder yesterday by telling that fool the doors and don'ts of your boss.
How did you know about my conversation with Cynthia?
How I got to know about your discretion later is of no importance. I only called to let you know you messed up a big time.
If you're not going to tell me who you are, I'm going to end this call.
You wouldn't dare. If you tried it, I'll make sure you lose your job.
No, really. You did not hire me, so you have no right to fire me.
At this point, to fire you is very simple.
So how are you going to do that?
I will simply tell your boss about your discussion with Cynthia, and the rest will be history.
Okay, wait. What exactly do you want? What do you want me to do?
That fool is going to buy flowers and perfume and bring them to you to drop at your boss's office. Say no to that. I'm watching.
What kind of trouble is this now? What is this?
What is it? What do you want?
You already know what I want, so why asking?
Patrick, you need to move on. What is your problem? Move on already. Patrick, I am in love with another man. It is high time it sticks into your head. Move on. And you are a bigger fool for believing in those promises. Whatever. Oh, you wish. You wish, Patrick. Patrick, you can't do anything. Take it from me. You cannot do anything. You bastard. Move on already. Fool.
Good afternoon, my son. How are you?
I'm fine, ma.
That's my mom.
Oh, your mom?
Yes.
She is as beautiful as you are.
Thank you. Mom, this is Duke, my friend. Duke, this is my mom.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome, Duke.
Thank you, ma.
Have a seat.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, thank you.
So, how's everything?
Fine.
So, what can I get you?
Anything is fine.
Anything?
Yes, anything.
I'll get your favorite beer.
Oh!
Okay, I'll be right back.
Thank you. Oh.
You're welcome, my son.
Thank you.
Please, I want you to feel free, okay?
Okay.
Well, I will be in my room.
Okay.
When my daughter comes, tell her to see me in my room.
Udodi.
Excuse me.
Is your brother aware you're coming back with a man?
Nope.
You mean you didn't tell him before bringing Duke home?
I didn't, Mom.
Why?
Because this is not actually a topic to discuss on the phone.
I just hope he won't be angry that you didn't tell him before bringing a man to his house.
Well, I think under normal circumstances, he should be happy that I actually brought a man who wants to marry me. Don't you think I should be applauded, Mom?
I didn't say what you did was bad. All I am trying to say is that he should have been pre-informed about what is happening.
Oh, now I understand, Mom. But Duke is actually here already, so this discussion is actually dead on arrival.
I just hope he won't see it as an insult on his person.
Mom, I gotta go. I don't want Duke getting so lonely.
Biaba, people say so.
What?
How long have you known Duke?
Anne! Anne!
Yes, sir.
Who did you say brought this?
I don't know. It was just delivered by a delivery man earlier today.
Get this out of my thing. Pack this and throw it in the bin. Throw it in the bin.
Honey.
Asabitis.
I hope I didn't keep you waiting. I'm sorry about that. Are you fine?
Yes, I'm okay. I'm okay.
Do you care for food?
Food? No, not now. Not now.
I can hurriedly just fix anything for you to eat.
No, no, no. I don't want to eat now.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I get it.
What?
You do not like to eat outside.
No, no, no. What are you saying, baby? Look, I want to see your people first. I can eat later. Okay?
Okay.
You're
You're
welcome.
going to see them soon.
Yes, I can't wait to see them. You're welcome. Look, I have something for you. Hello. Listen. Yes. Am I talking to Emeka for himself? Good. Listen. I need 2 iPhone 16 Pro Max. Yes, 1 terabyte each. 1 for me and 1 for my baby. Thank you so much. Please text me your account number immediately.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Oh, you just came out and you want to buy it for me.
What is ego the wade? What are you? This is BTC Lord. Only ego nelo one.
Thank you so much.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Uju. Please sit. How are you?
Thank you. And you?
I'm very well, thank you. I am going to make this meeting brief and straight to the point.
I would appreciate that because I was actually busy when your call came in for this meeting.
Oh, fine. I just want to let you know that I'm deeply sorry for the way I've talked to you in the past and treated you. It's not in my character. I just want to apologize to you and I ask you to accept my apologies.
It's okay, Ejike. I bear no grudges. I was the one who offended you by having a one-off with your boss. It's a mistake that I deeply regret.
The thing is, I've been under immense pressure as the first son of the family, the burden falls on my shoulders to make sure my family is stabilized, that everybody stands on their feet, and I make sure they have their life running before entertaining any kind of distraction or relationship and all of that. So it was getting into me so much. I didn't know I was blotting it out in a very terrible way.
It's okay. It's okay. It's fine. You actually have a good reason. Well, I can actually assist you in giving your siblings a good education.
No.
I work, I earn good money at the end of the month. If you let me in, I can be of help.
No, I would not need any assistance to handle my responsibilities.
It's okay. I understand. Like I said, I'm sorry for what I did.
Thank you very much for understanding.
Okay. I gotta go now.
Alright, go well.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You too.
Good afternoon, bro. Who are you?
Oh, my big brother is back. Welcome, bro.
You know him?
Yes, come on.
Who are you?
My name is Duke.
Bro, his name is Duke. He's my friend.
He hasn't answered the reason he's in my compound. Young man, can you tell me what you're doing in my house?
Oh, okay. Okay. Like I said, my name is Duke Okonkwo, aka BTC Lord. Your younger sister here is a very good friend of mine, and I am here to make my intention of marrying her known to you and your mother.
Intention of?
Marrying her known to you or your mother, your village people, whosoever cares to know. I want them to know that BTC Lord is here. We'll get you a guard.
Yes, but why don't we just go inside so he can explain further?
Yes.
You need to know him.
BTC Lord.
Yes.
Come with me, fast.
Just calm down. Everything will be fine. Let me just explain to him so he
Sure.
understands. Yes, I'll
Don't
be
keep-
right back.
Don't keep BTC
I
Lord
won't,
waiting.
honey. Bro,
I hope that dude was not serious with what he said.
he was.
No, he can't be serious.
Bro, but you heard him clearly. He was serious. He wasn't joking.
Does it mean you've forgotten our agreement before you got into school?
No, I have not forgotten.
So why are you acting contrary to that?
Bro, see, by the end of the year, I'm going to be a graduate. And the next thing is to get married and live happily ever after.
Just in case you have forgotten, let me refresh your memory. The agreement was that you and Lawrence would go into school, graduate, get employed, work for about 5 years, establish yourselves, have a bearing in life before thinking about marriage.
But getting married cannot stop us from getting a good job.
I'm not going to get into this argument with you. You will not marry that nincompoop, and that's final.
No, bro. The decision to get married is solely mine. And there's nothing you can do about it.
How dare you talk to me like that? You will not marry that thing, and you will go out there and tell him to leave my compound. Young man, I was about coming outside to see you before you maneuvered your way into my living room uninvited.
Okay.
Since you're here, I might as well tell you, you cannot marry my sister.
Hmm?
You heard me.
BTC Lord not marrying your sister.
And if you do not leave this house in the next 1 minute, I will call the cops.
I will leave cops, all right.
what happened?
He slapped me. He slapped me, Mom.
Slapped you? What did you do to him?
Can you imagine? Because I brought a man who wants to marry me home. Am I not old enough to get married?
Of course you are old enough to get married. But you had an agreement with your brother that you will think about marriage only when you are done with school and at least work for 5 years.
Yes, I had an agreement, but I changed my mind.
With the kind of brother you have, you think you can just wake up one day and change your mind? You think it's that easy? Yeah.
Mom, does it mean you're in support of his decision?
Well, somehow, yes. Come to think of it, Justina. Assuming your brother rushed into marriage exactly the way you want to do now, how do you think you and Loris would have gone to school to study? How? He sacrificed his happiness and pleasure so that in return, you and Lawrence will help him build this family. Why do you want to betray him now?
Mom, look, getting married cannot stop any of those things from happening. See, Duke is super rich and he can do anything for this family. He can do anything you wish, please.
Well, Justina, my daughter, my hands are tied. There's virtually nothing I can do. The person you need to go and sort out things with is your brother, not me.
Mom, other mothers will support their daughter to get married. Why is mine different? Why?
That is because they do not know as much as I do. Look, we live in a different world now. Everything has changed. Gone are the days a woman will rush into marriage and become a liability to her husband. Gone are those days. A woman that is not ready to cater for herself shouldn't even venture into marriage. That is the truth. Don't forget that Ejike, your brother, made a huge sacrifice for you and Lawrence. Don't ever forget that.
I dedicated my life for family, treating them with love and care. Being a father figure.
Ahmed!
Sorry, they shout to person down for inside.
Where's the guy I came back with?
No, come out.
How? Where? When?
I don't know, him just come out.
My friend, open this gate.
After all my sacrifice, this is what I get. After all my sacrifice.
you have done your worst, right?
Justina, you don't walk into my room like that. Now you'll go out that door, knock on it. If I allow you in, you come in.
I will do no such thing.
Of course you will do it. Get out of my room.
I won't. Did you ask Duke to leave?
Yes, I did.
Why would you do a thing like that?
Justina, I've told you severally you're not getting married. At least not until you're done with school, gotten a good job, and have worked for at least 5 years.
I won't. Look, he's ready to get married to me today, tomorrow. And I cannot let you stop the good thing that is coming my way.
What rubbish good thing are you talking about?
Marriage. Why are you even against me getting married?
You think I'm against you getting married? I don't have a problem with you getting married, but I won't sit and watch you jump into any marriage as though it's an achievement.
Of course it's an achievement. An achievement is defined on individual basis. An achievement is whatever you deem it fit to call an achievement. So marriage is an achievement to me. And the bottom line is, you are not stopping me from getting married.
I'm not going to have this discussion with you.
Of course you're going to have this conversation with me. I want to get married and you cannot stand in my way.
Over my dead body will I let that happen. Now get out.
Did I hear you clearly? That you cannot be alive and watch me get married?
You heard me perfectly. I said get out.
The battle line has been drawn. And I am ready to go on this battle with you.
Justina draws the battle line with me. This girl has grown wings. But I'll clip them. I will clip them in the most terrible way. Kaineje.
Nonsense! Aram nonsense. Insulting me? Huh?
My love. My love. Baby. Please, I'm sorry. I didn't know he was going to be rude.
Who the hell is he? I am asking you, who the hell is your brother? A God that protects his children or what?
Please, just don't take it to heart, honey. Please.
He overreached his boundary the moment he shouted at me. No one dare shout at BTC Oracle anyhow. Nobody!
He shouted at you?
Yes! Who the hell is he?
Please, honey, I'm going to take care of this. Please, just trust me. It will not happen again.
How are you going to do that? Because I want to make you my wife as quickly as possible. And there is no way I will make you my wife without your brother and mother's consent.
Honey, please, just leave it to me. I can handle this. Please, trust me.
My dear, my question still remains, how do you intend to do that?
Honey, it's best known to me. I'll handle it my way, please. All I'm begging is that you can you just help me drop this anger and rage in your heart, please? It's your baby.
Anyway, I will drop it because of you. You're welcome.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Honey?
I will be inside. Can you at least pick your call? Pick your mother's call.
I'm not going to pick the call. She would always support, educate to Lord over everyone. And you ask, I'm not picking her call, she's just on her own.
I understand. She is worried. Can you do that for me?
And I'm just picking this call because of you. If not, I won't even pick this call.
Justina, I have been worried. I have been worried. I called the church and they told me nothing of that sort is going on.
You're worried about me. And you cannot rebuke your son, Ejike.
Excuse me? What do you mean by rebuke Ejike? Eh? I mean, where are you as we speak?
I'm in a house that I have peace. I'm fine where I am.
Justin, are you sure you're fine?
I am very fine, Mom. Are you coming back tonight? No.
Justina, what is wrong with you? How did you get to this level? When did you start living this kind of life? Where is the home training I gave you as a mother?
The same home training that you gave Brother Ejike, that he doesn't even have respect for anyone. See, in fact, Mom, I'll talk to you tomorrow. Please, you're disturbing me.
Oh my God. She got the call. What kind of a thing is this? What kind of trouble is this? What is wrong with her?
What's the meaning of this?
I want us to talk.
And who told you I want to talk with you?
I told myself.
Please go back and tell yourself I don't want to talk with you.
I can see you're not ready to go to work then.
What do you mean?
You heard me. I want to have a word with you. If you're ready, come meet me.
Yeah, all phones available. Let's deal now. Active. You know me very well. They deliver like Hebrew women. No issue. No shaking. I go run them now. I go run them now. Wait, now I call you back. Let me call you.
Honey.
Baby. How are you?
I'm good.
I want you to tell me a little about yourself and your brother. I mean your elder brother.
There's nothing really about us. We're just normal people that are existing.
I know, just tell me a little that ever existed between both of you.
Well, he's the first in our family. And ever since our dad died, he's been the one taking care of us, training us in school, making sure we lack nothing. He's been virtually there for us in everything we do.
So why did he go against you getting married?
My brother and I made a promise to him that we are not going to get married until we are done with school, graduate with good grades, get a job, work for 5 years, make money. Then we can think of settling down.
Work for 5 years before getting married?
Yes, honey.
And why would your brother made you agree to such terms and conditions?
He feels he's the only shining light in our family. And he intends to multiply it by educating all of us. He just wants to make sure we are standing firm on our own and just that.
Well, it's a good idea. It's a good idea. We will go back and apologize to him.
No, honey, I will do no such thing.
Listen, my love. Your brother is a good man. And I will not support you to pay his good deed back with evil. I will not support that. You have to go back and apologize to him. Once you settle with your brother, I promise you I will now come in and build a mansion for you guys in your father's compound. Meanwhile, wait, let me take this call first. It's very, very important. Hello. Steady funds. Listen to me.
Oh, now so you're ready to talk, huh?
Yes.
Good. You see, AGK, I am in love with you.
I don't love you.
Why?
Because I'm not ready to be in any relationship right now.
Why?
I just told you why. There's no further explanation needed.
AGK, what about the prophecy? You want God to be angry with us?
If that prophecy is meant to be, time and chance will make it happen. Don't force it.
AGK, come on. The love I have for you is really driving me crazy. I can do anything. Anything at all to have you.
My answer remains no.
Okay. I'll just leave you to go to work now. But I'll see you later, my love. Okay?
Can you take your car out of the way?
Yeah, sure, of course.
Thank you.
Hello. Yeah, Lawrence. Just. Okay. Just cross down that junction, eh? You will see one transformer. You will see one transformer by the right. Yes, 1,000 kV transformer. I was even the one that bought that transformer. Enter that street. You will see a street there. Enter that street. The first gate, the first mirror gate by your right. Oh, my mansion there. Just knock at that gate. Okay. I'm good. Orange. Awolowo.
Sir.
Call. Just go and check that gate. I'm expecting someone.
Okay, sir.
Action, you are leaving. Action!
Awolowo, the person don't come.
Yes, sir.
Hey! Oh, Dogun Woke!
Lawrence, my man.
Oh, Dogun Woke!
My man.
Hey! Oh, Dogun Woke!
Hey, thank you very much. Chime. Welcome. Hey! Oh, Dogun. How's business now?
Everything is smooth.
You have a nice place here.
Yes, very wonderful one. In fact, one of my houses.
One of your houses?
Yes.
And this particular one would have cost you a lot of money to manage.
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
Yes. BTC Lord. BTC Lord.
All phones are calling. My God.
Thank you very much.
You're
Thank you
welcome.
very much.
You're welcome. Other is money. When you make the money, you go for the best. Let us
BTC Lord.
Let us go inside. Yeah. Yes, let's go inside. I will. Lawrence. Anne!
Sir.
Do you remember Cynthia?
Yes, the one you told me not to allow access into your office again.
Exactly. Do you have a number?
Yes, I do.
How did you come about it?
Well, she dropped her number with me the last time she was here, just in case you would like to call her.
You never told me you had her number.
Well, the thing is, I noticed that every time I mention her name or whenever she comes, it usually irritates you, so I didn't want to bother you with it.
Okay. It's all good. Get me the number, please.
Okay.
It was very wrong of you to have reacted the way you did. It was very wrong.
I know, Mom. And that's why I've come to say I'm sorry.
Well, I am not the one you should apologize to. Your brother is the one you should apologize to. I want you to know that Ejike loves you and Lawrence very well. I mean, you can even attest to that. And that's why he's doing his best to make sure both of you have the best life can offer. So the least he's expecting from you is an insult.
I crossed the red line, Mom. And I'm here to make amends.
Okay. I'm glad you've realized your mistakes. Making amends is the watchword. Okay?
Yes, Mom. Okay, Mommy.
It's all right.
Jehovah, Emmanuel, the peace of the Lord be unto you, daughter of Zion.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. My name is Prophet Jeremiah, and you are?
Justina.
Justina. You are going to your elder brother's office to tender an apology for talking to him rudely the day you came home with a suitor.
Hey, so how did you know?
Eli! Jehovah! Emmanuel! I am a prophet of God. I see in the open and in the secret. If you tender that apology, that will be the end of your life.
Lord of Jesus. Prophet, please, I don't understand. I don't want to die.
Your elder brother is only pretending to be nice to you. He wants to use your destiny to enrich himself. He's only pretending to be nice to you after seeing you through school and helping you get a job.
Jesus. Please, Prophet, I don't understand. What am I going to do now? I don't want to die. Please help my life, Prophet.
Hey! Ja! 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 Jehovah! Emmanuel! I will tell you more about your elder brother's plan against you and your brother, Lawrence.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Hey!
This is my card.
Yes, sir.
Call me with that number and I will tell you more of his plans against you and your brother.
I'll call you, sir.
Call me.
I dedicated my life for
Jesus.
family, treating
Hey.
them with love and care.
Jesus, my brother wants to kill us.
Being a father figure, putting them first in everything. I kept my happiness aside, trying to give the best to my siblings. But is this what I get in return? Hey, Obia bawa me, Obi etiwa mo. After all my sacrifice, this is what I get.
What do you think I do for a living? I know you're into online business because I know you don't have a shop or office. That's all I can say for now. And I like that business.
You are right. Cryptocurrency. Precisely. Do you want to join my business?
How did you want to go? I'm game already. I can even start now if you want. I'm interested.
You know what? I will advise you to finish your final exams. Immediately you graduate, come to me. I will teach you. I will give you every tools you need to make it in the crypto world.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you very, very much. Odogu.
Look, I will want you to answer BTC Lord. Second.
Hey, I can't wait to get that name. Hey, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I really appreciate that.
You're welcome.
Hey, BTC Lord again, bro.
Oh, Mr. Educate, the CEO himself.
Sammy, where have you been?
Oh, hey, boy. I've been around now.
No, don't tell me that. Do you know how many times I've called your number and it wasn't connecting?
Oh, you're right. I'm sorry. I traveled.
You traveled and you did not inform me.
Don't vex. Man, it's a long story.
I like long stories.
Okay. Nothing much. Just that I traveled to Wazico in Abia State with Ivy to see her people.
Now I know the secret of the smiles.
You can say that again.
So how did it go? Did her parents like you?
Wholeheartedly.
Wow. In that case, congratulations are in order.
Very much in order. So attach some respect to me.
Of course.
Yeah. Bro, you needed to see the kind of reception I was given. They treated me like a king.
I know. It's a kind of a rite of welcoming. It's a tradition down there.
Man.
Yes.
So with this, I can go all the way to making her my wife.
Of course. Congratulations once again.
Thanks, man. Oh boy. No.
I kept calling and your number wasn't connecting.
Justina, if you're not looking happy, what is it?
There is serious problem.
Problem? What happened?
Do you know that brother has been nice to us for his ulterior motives?
What are you talking about?
Okay. First, I went with Duke to his house to make his intention known of marrying me. He objected the marriage. Next thing, he walked Duke out of his house.
What? He did what?
I had this heated argument with him. And later on, I left in anger. Duke demanded to know the kind of man he was. I told Duke that he has been helping us and he has been nice to us. He now said I should just go back and apologize to him.
For what? Apologize for what?
My brother, I obliged though and went to apologize. But when I went to the house, I didn't see him. I met Mom. And Mom said I should go to his office. I was on my way to his office. So that was when I met a prophet on the road. The prophet now told me that he has been nice to us just because he wants to use our destiny for his own advantage.
Hey. Wait. This is so confusing. Okay, let me ask you, what did the prophet say?
The prophet said he wants to take our destiny after he is done training us in school and getting us job.
This is serious.
It's good. Lawrence, what do you think?
Okay, I think we have to meet the prophet again. At least let me hear from him myself. Yes.
You know what? I think I have to invite the prophet.
Okay.
At least when Duke is not around, I can invite him over to this house. At least you can hear things for your own self.
That is a very good idea. Please, excuse me. Hello? Oh, how are you, my dear? Oh, okay. All right, I'm coming. Okay. Justina, please, I'll be right, but let me meet Merit. She's outside the gates. Okay? Come on, chill. I'm coming. Merit, my love. Come here. How are you?
Good afternoon.
Afternoon. How are you doing?
I'm not fine.
What happened?
I need money.
Merit. I don't understand, but I gave you some money 3 days ago.
That you gave me money 3 days ago doesn't mean you cannot give me money today. What if the need for the money is urgent?
Anyway, I don't have any money to give to you.
You say what?
I don't have money.
Lawrence,
Merit.
it's like this relationship is getting tiring. Like you're tired of this relationship. If you are, tell me.
Why are you sounding like that?
Why won't I sound like this? Why won't I sound like this? Am I not your girlfriend? Are you not my boyfriend? Are you not supposed to take care of me?
Merit, God knows I've been trying my best to make sure that you're okay. Merit, you know that I'm a student and...
Please, spare me that. And so what if you're a student? Are you the only student around? Don't you see other students taking care of their girlfriends? What is all this now? Ordinary small money I'm asking you for. You're telling me you're a student. I need money.
It's okay, yeah? How much do you need?
50,000.
50,000 naira, Merit.
Why are you shouting?
50,000 naira. Anyway, I don't have that money now, but I'll be right back.
50,000 and you're shouting. What if I demand for 100,000?
Where is she?
She's outside.
Why?
I don't want her to come inside for now.
Meaning what?
Reasons best known to me. Justina, I need some money.
Huh? Wait. Don't tell me that girl came here to ask you for money.
Yes.
Where does she think you get money from? Are you not a student? I don't have.
Justina, listen, I will explain things to you later. Just give me some money, let me go and settle her.
Oh, Lawrence, I don't have 1 naira. Please, stop disturbing me.
Justina, please now.
See, I can only give you 20,000 naira. And don't ever disturb me for money again.
20,000 will go a long way. Bring it to Hey.
See, oh yeah, take it.
Hey, thank you very much. Gee, you know you're my best.
You cannot get 1 naira. Leave me.
I'm coming there. Yeah.
Hey, Vito, are you sure this my brother is not inside Benelin bottle?
This is what I can wait for you.
What is this?
Money now.
Lawrence, I asked for 50,000 and you're giving me this? Eh?
Merit, you know it's an emergency. Eh? It's an emergency. You should have called me that you needed some money. By now I will have raised some money for you before your arrival.
Lawrence, 50,000 and you're shouting emergency? Hey, it's like you're tired of this relationship. And I am telling you for facts that you will see me with someone else that will take care of me.
Why you sound like that?
Why would I sound like this?
Why you sound like that, Seth? Try and manage this one.
Hey. Hey. I have said it too. I have said it and that will happen. You will see me with someone that will take care of me better than you 100 times. I am assuring you that.
What did you just say?
I am assuring you that, Lawrence.
Merit! 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 Merit!
What is it?
I can't believe what Merit did to me.
What did she do?
Merit rejected the money and threw it to my face and walked away.
Thank God this is happening. I've told you this is not the woman for you. She's only concerned about money.
As if that wasn't enough. You believe that Mary told me that she would look for that guy that will give her the money?
She's very stupid for saying that. Eh? What is even wrong with you? See, Lawrence, we have lots of problems facing us. Eh? Mary should be the least of efforts. Give me my own money first. At least I have gain from my 20,000. can feel the anger in your voice. Is anything the matter?
Justina, where are you as we speak?
Are we back to this again? Mom, I've told you I'm an adult. You can't just keep asking about my whereabouts now and then. No.
We had an agreement that you are going to apologize to your brother in the office. I just finished talking to him and he confirmed you didn't come to his office.
Is that the reason you're calling? Mom, please, I was busy doing something before you called.
Justina, the question is, why did you not go to your brother's office as we agreed?
You know what? I'll call you tomorrow. I'm going to talk to you tomorrow. Please, good night.
Oh my God. What is wrong with this girl? Should I agree with Ejike that Justina has grown wings?
Brother, thank God you're still awake.
What is the problem?
Duke asked me to come to his room. And I'm very sure if I go there now, he'll start asking me how my meeting with Brother Ejike went.
Yeah? Tell him that you were going to meet Brother Ejike and the prophet told you who he really is. Period.
No, I cannot tell him that kind of thing. No. He needs to be very sure before I can tell anybody, let alone him.
Why?
Because we are not sure yet. I need you to also see him. We don't need to interfere in the prophecy. See him. If he convinces you, then we can tell anyone we want to tell.
You are right, oh. You are right. At least let's have concrete evidence.
Yes.
Before letting it out to the third year.
Yes.
You are very right.
So, what do I tell him?
Okay. Just tell him that you went to see him and he walked you out of his office.
Yeah.
Yes, now.
Sounds nice. That's what I'm going to tell him. But when I come out from his room, I'll come and tell you everything.
Don't worry. I'll be right here waiting for you.
Okay.
Let's go and meet him.
Hi, honey.
You wasted time before coming.
Sorry, I was actually tired in the kitchen.
Please sit.
Thank you.
Welcome. So how did you go with your brother?
Honey, you needed to see what happened today.
What happened?
I just tried to enter his office and he threw me out.
What?
He nearly slapped me.
Wait. Is he that hot-tempered?
Hot-tempered? Aggression is his second name.
My love, but that man I saw that day doesn't look aggressive.
Babe, you don't know him. Is he not my brother? You needed to see what happened.
You know what, my darling, just relax your mind. I am going to sort everything out myself, okay? Thank you. So, how did your day go today? Tell me.
My day was partially okay.
Partially okay. As a BTC, Lord, partially okay. I don't take that, please. I want it to be perfectly okay, not partially. Let me punch in some coin into your account now. Fine, dear. Done. I've sent in some money there.
Thank you so much. Thank you. You always sending me money.
I will go to what? My money is your money.
Thank you for always making me happy.
You're welcome, my dad.
I love you.
I love it. You want it?
No.
If you want it, just choose anyone you want and take.
Stop. I'm fine.
Do you want any of them?
I'm fine.
Ah.
Oh.
Sam.
Yes, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank
You're
you.
welcome. Please sit. How is everything?
Fine, thank you. I'm glad to see you smiling. The way you sounded over the phone, I thought something terrible has happened.
Oh, no. Nothing happened. Your friend.
Yes.
Your friend, although he has not managed to say anything to me, but I just discovered he has reinvented happiness for himself. So I want to know, do you have an idea of what is going on?
I think everything has to do with Cynthia. They have made up. And from the way he briefed me, it looks like they won't fall apart again.
Oh, really?
Yes, yes.
Oh, I see.
Yes.
Oh, thank God. Thank God. My son finally has a woman to call his wife. I'm excited.
Yes, we are all excited. And I'm very optimistic. My friend is very excited.
Wow.
And I know and feel very strongly that this second coming will be forever.
Amen.
Yes.
Amen. I am more than excited.
We are all excited for
and
him.
I know you contributed to this good news. I trust you, Sam.
My 2 cents. My 2 cents.
So, what can I offer you?
Prophet, please, this is Lawrence, my elder brother.
Okay.
I want you to repeat what you told me in front of him.
Eli! Otito dịrị Jesu. Daughter of Zion, when I saw your call, I was so happy. You know, that very day when we parted ways, the Lord made more revelations about your elder brother.
Prophet, if I may ask, what did the Lord reveal to you?
The Lord revealed to me that your elder brother belonged to a very strong secret cult. And that is why he is always attacking you whenever you go to church to worship God. Yes, that is what the Lord revealed to me. You know, your presence and religious activities in that house is a very strong threat to him. And that is why he is always waking up in the middle of the night to interrupt your prayers. If something is not being done, he will use both of you for sacrifice.
So, prophets, what do you advise us to do?
You have to buy spiritual elements that we'll use for prayers. After that prayers, whatever he has done to you or he is about to do will come to naught.
Prophets, please, we don't know where to buy those items.
But if you do, can you kindly help us and buy those things? Yes. We will pay. Yes.
Of course. I will buy them for you.
Thank you so much, Prophet. Like, how much would the spiritual items cost?
Eli! It will cost you 150,000 naira. Then my handwork will be 100,000 naira.
Okay. That means in total 250,000 naira.
Yes.
Prophet, please, can we give you 200,000 naira?
Eli! Young man, this is a spiritual matter. You do not negotiate it.
It's fine. We'll pay.
Okay.
One more thing. Even if you want him dead, I can make that happen.
That's the point. That is what we want. We want him dead. Yes, kill him for us.
I know you will like that one.
Yes, kill him.
Eli, son of Elijah, son of Elijah. What did you do?
Oh, why? Everything I do is for you, to see that you are living a good life. Hey, I want a good future for you.
Hello? I'm fine, thank you. Who are you, please?
It's my priority, but something come they confuse me. Why am I having this kind?
You can't be serious. Cynthia has a boyfriend? She never told me about it.
Why would they want me down? My siblings, I am giving everything. Is this just a dream?
You're wrong. She's not coming for me because of my money.
The question is why me? Why would they want me dead? The siblings I am fending for. Why would they want me down? My siblings
Wait.
I am giving everything.
You know about the prophecy. Yes, come in. Justina. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
I hope there's no problem.
No. I just want to invite you for a church program.
Ha! Justina, you know I'm a very busy person. You can't be inviting me for church programs.
It's just a 2 days program, bro. You can actually breeze in after work and come home.
After work, I should be going home to rest, not going for church programs.
Brother, why do you always sound like you're in enmity with God?
Don't misunderstand me, oh please.
But that's what it looks like, because I have never invited you for a church program and you attended.
Justina, Biko, I'm very busy. I won't have time. Just go. Okay, I will talk about this later, okay? Let me finish this proposal.
You will come?
We'll talk about it later.
It's here. You must attend this one.
Sister Mary. Leaving for tomorrow. One day, one program.
I need no explanation to tell me that Brother Ejike is a serious cultist. Hey! This boy deceived all of us. He made us think he was a nice person. Just for his own selfish gain. God in heaven. Thank you so much for this exposure. Thank you. Hey! God, I am going to serve you forever. You are a covenant-keeping God. Just look at the way you exposed all his evil deeds. Eh? Brother Ejike.
Who is Patrick?
What?
You heard me.
Patrick is my ex.
You never mentioned him to me. Moreover, he did not sound like an ex.
I'm the one who should tell you about my relationship with him. He's my ex. Okay? Nothing more.
Anyways, he called me to threaten to stay away from you.
Maybe just forget about him, please. He's just an ex.
Only a foolish person will forget about him.
Are you serious right now? Are you just going to allow that loser ride your life?
Nobody's riding my life. I just want to have peace and stay away from trouble, please.
I am here to give you peace.
Like he suggested. I have perished every romantic thought I nurtured towards you.
No,
Please,
baby.
leave my office.
What about me? Please, baby, come on. We can work something out. Please.
Don't make me call your security. Leave my office.
Baby, please, don't tell me you're this gullible. You don't have to believe whatever that comes out of his mouth.
Anne!
He is just
Please,
heartbroken.
leave my office, please. Please.
Baby, please. Yes, hello. I want us to see.
Where?
Pick a place.
Let's meet in an open space.
Why an open space? Back of ShopRite. 30 minutes time. See you.
Greetings, Lady Cynthia.
Yeah, Frank, what's up?
I'm cool. And you?
Okay, so I have a job for you.
Alright, I'm listening.
Frank, I need you to kill someone.
Who could that be?
A guy.
When?
Today.
Today. Lady Cynthia, that is so sudden.
I know it is. And I also trust that you can do this job. So are you game?
Get me his picture and tell me where to meet him.
You don't need this picture. All I have to do is to lure him into this car. And then you take care of him while I dispose his body.
How is it going to be possible to kill someone inside your car, Lady Cynthia?
It is very possible, Frank. Okay? All you need to do is to hide here, at the back seat. He sits in front. And then when he comes in, you reach out and strangle him. It is that simple. Am I going to teach you your job? Of course not. Are you game?
Let's go.
Lawrence, how do you raise money to give the prophet?
It's very simple now. Collect money from Duke.
He just gave me 500,000 naira last week.
Have you spent all?
Yes.
Hey. I need somehow to ask him for more money.
You have seen it now.
Hey. Okay. I will call Ejike. Yes. I will call him to give me the money. It is better we use his money and kill him. Remember what we're about to do now is spiritual thing. So let's use his money and kill him.
Okay. Let's see how it goes now.
I dedicated my life for family, treating them with love and care. Being a father figure, putting them first in everything. I kept my happiness aside.
Wait. Are you not the one I'm calling?
What is it? Do I know you? Huh?
Wait, if that is a joke, just stop it.
No.
Babe, who is this? Excuse me? Did I just hear you call my girl your babe?
Your girl? Me? Your girl? How? Have we met? Do I know you?
Merit.
Where do I know you from? Why should I call him your babe? I don't know this guy, please.
Merit. I really listen. I know sometimes you are kind of being so dramatic. I know that.
Dramatic. Babe, please, let's go. This guy is just, he has lost his mind.
No. I'm losing it. See, this thing has to stop. No. It has to stop.
Babe.
I want to know who this guy is and what the problem is. What's the problem?
Excuse me. I should be the one to know who you are. So who the hell are you?
Who the hell are you?
Baby, please.
Are you talking to me like that?
Can you imagine?
I've told you, this guy has lost his mind. Can't you see by the way he's looking at me? He looks like a mad person. Let's go.
I can see
You
that.
said I've lost my memory?
Yes.
You're very stupid.
You are very stupid. You are very mad.
Why are you following man to
Nonsense.
talk?
Let's
Look
leave
at,
here.
Look at.
Merit.
You are 2 minutes late. And you are still not here. What is going on? What guy? Who? Oh, I see. You think you're smart? Huh? You think you are smart? I will certainly get you, dumbass. Beg for what exactly? How over my dead body will I beg you for dumping your ass? Are you mad? you are the one whose body will be lowered to the grave.
Very well then. Let's watch and see.
Bastard. Where is he?
You're back. What happened?
Honestly, you need to see what happened at the shopping mall.
Just me.
Could you believe I saw Mary with another guy? And when I confronted her, she said she doesn't know me.
I don't understand.
She even said she has never met me before.
What?
Yes. Like, she told the guy that I am suffering from loss of memory.
Hey.
I don't understand where that one is coming from.
Wait, is that girl that mean?
I felt like killing that girl when I saw her today.
Oda, thank God you did not kill her. Don't go and commit murder because of that nonsense girl. She's not worth it. Because what did you buy?
Frank, you can calm down.
All right. Lady Cynthia, what next?
I am going to send you his picture. Find him and unalive him.
I'll be waiting for his pictures. What do you have for me?
Name your price.
1 million.
500,000.
700,000.
Fine. But make sure you do a clean job.
Lady Cynthia, once I receive your alert, leave the rest for me. Have a nice day.
I can no longer wait to get a consent from your brother.
Honey,
Yes.
I was about suggesting that. See, my brother is a sadist who doesn't love to see others happy. Why don't you come and see my mom and make your intention known?
My love, I understand what you are saying, but coming to see your mother alone, if you look it very well, it is not approved, according to our custom and tradition.
So, what do you think?
Good. You are going to tell your mother to call one or two of your kinsmen from the village. Yes, I will pay their flight ticket. Okay?
Okay. Very well then. I'll call my mom first thing tomorrow morning.
You're welcome, baby.
Honey,
Yes,
my brother and I will be going back to school by weekend.
this weekend?
Yes.
Good. BCC Lord got you covered. All funds are available.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, sweetheart. You need to have some rest now. Shall we go and watch film?
No, I want to hold you.
Want to hold me?
Lawrence! 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 What is it? What is it? What is it now? What is it? Are you okay?
He's in a court.
Who is in a court?
Brother Ejike.
I don't understand. What do you mean?
He wants to kill me in my dream. Yeah. Justin, I think we need to act fast before he moves ahead of us spiritually and cripple all our plans.
Yes. You know what? Let me call the prophet.
Please do.
Are you sure you're fine?
I'm fine.
Good news. Spill? My wedding date has finally been fixed.
Wow! Congratulations, bro. Finally.
Thank you. Yes, finally. And you are going to be my best man.
Oh, of course. You know nobody would drag that with me.
Yes. I knew from the onset I didn't want it to come from my head, so I left it specially for you.
What's the date?
27th of next month.
Beautiful.
Yes.
It's a date. We're going to make...
Madam! Baby!
What are you doing?
Oh, baby.
What are you doing here?
Thank God you're here. Baby, let go of my hand. Baby, I need to talk to you.
We have nothing to talk about.
No, baby, we have a lot to talk about. Okay?
Ahmed!
Okay.
This thing out of
I don't tell her before, say, my God, you don't want to see you. Come now. Come where they go.
I'll slap you. Think I want to see you. Baby!
Ahmed!
Baby, I want us to talk!
Come,
Baby,
madam,
we
madam,
need to
come,
talk,
come, I beg, I beg.
please. Please!
I don't want to lose my work. Madam, they go now. They go. I tell you before, say, my God, don't want to see you. They do that.
Ejike, is she not the same Cynthia you reconciled with? And your mother was excited about it. What again happened?
Her boyfriend called me and threatened me.
What?
Yes.
And she still come back to this place?
Imagine that. Sam, I just don't know. I'm not lucky with these women. All I need is happiness.
I know. But again, can we do without them?
Of course we can't.
You need one at least.
We're not people like this.
I agree with you. Sure, I agree with you. She almost spoiled the fun.
She cannot spoil our fun. Cheers once again, bro.
Congratulations. To me, to us, the groom and his best.
So finally you have decided to do the do.
Yeah, look at that.
I dedicated my life.
Are you sure this prophet is going to come?
I told you he said he's already on his way.
So what is keeping him?
Maybe traffic.
Anyway, let's wait a little more.
Kept my happiness aside, trying to give the best to my siblings. But is this what I get in return? Hey, Obiabawa me, Obietiwa mo. After all my sacrifice, this is what I get. Obietiwa mo, Obiabawa me.
Welcome, prophet.
Jehovah, Emmanuel. May the peace of the good Lord be unto this house.
Same to you, prophet.
Please sit.
Thank you. Yes. Daughter of Zion, you request to see me.
Yes, prophet. We want you to proceed with the prayers.
That is good. But I told you that spiritual elements are needed for the prayer.
Yes, Prophet, we already have the money for the spiritual element.
That's nice. Eli! Let me have the money so that I can go to the market and buy the things needed. Eli! Jah Jehovah. Emmanuel. How much is it?
That is 250,000 naira.
250,000. That is good. One more question before I go. How do you want him to die?
Prophet, first of all, we want him to go mad. So once they enter the street, he will be knocked down by a car and he will die instantly.
You have a great dream. There is no peace for the wicked. Let me get going.
I'll be waiting.
The siblings I am fending for, why would they want me down? My siblings I am giving everything. Is this just a dream? Or maybe a revelation? But the question is why.
Honestly, I can't wait for him to die.
Don't worry, yeah? He will die soon. I assure you that he's going to die soon.
Yes.
But I must say,
I know, Mom. That's why I'm resting till 2 p.m. before I go to work.
No. You need at least 3 days rest.
What?
Yes.
You want all my clients to desert me? It's Papa.
You work too hard.
I know. That's why I see. No. Who is that? Come in, please. Hey. Oku. Welcome. Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
My husband.
Good afternoon. Welcome.
You're welcome.
Please sit.
You're welcome, sir. Uncle Ibe, Uncle Ude and Uncle Obaka. Thank God, oh, my son is doing well.
For now, nothing.
This one you people are here. I hope nothing happened in the village.
Nothing. What are they? Udo, they know.
And you don't want to take anything?
For now. For now. Not that we're not going to take, but for now.
So, what is the purpose of this visit?
We are here for the marriage introduction of your daughter, Justina. Yes.
What? How?
Yes, she told us that you are against her getting married. So, I'm not know.
That's not true. My husband, that's not true.
But that is what she told us. And you know our tradition. It is the duty of our kinsmen to give her their daughter's hand in marriage. That is why we are here.
Look at me, Chichi.
And the young man will soon arrive. I will want both of you to cooperate.
Yes.
We need your cooperation.
Mom, let me see, please. Let me see.
I dedicated my life for family.
I don't want to inform the elders. But if they don't leave this house now, I'll be forced to.
Just calm down. You know?
Calm down. How do you mean?
Tradition. It is the elders that witness marriage introduction. It's also in their power to decide who their daughter gets married. Biko.
Wait, so Justina brought them here?
Yes. Justina
is an ingrate. So after all the sacrifices I made for her to become a better person, she has chosen to pay me back with insult.
It's okay, Mom. Biko, I advise you calm down. Let's watch and see how everything will pan out. Inugo?
Okay. If marriage is a priority now, I don't have a problem with it. But I will not be part of it.
Hey, Mbano, no. It's no good. You are the first son of the family. You have to be involved.
Mom, I will not be part of it, and that's final. You go and sort things out with them. Mom, Munagama made this argument. I'm not part of that.
You are welcome once again.
Thank you so much.
So, you can tell us why you are here.
Okay. Once again, let me start by introducing my name first. My name is Duke Okonkwo, aka BTC Lord. Nwoke Jenko. There is this beautiful girl I saw in this very compound. And this beautiful girl we are talking about has captured my heart. That is why I am here to make my intention official to this family.
Like you just said, you saw something good in this compound. And please, can you just tell us the name of that thing that you saw?
Her name is Justina.
Hi. My friend, Mama Ejike.
9.
Go and call Justina for us.
Okay. Excuse me.
Yes.
It's not again.
My name is Duke Okonkwo, aka BTC Lord. Nwoke.
You forgot Safa. So also give one fire.
Nwoke na transact on the state. Who is calling me? Hello? Steady phone. Yes, now I'm active. Bring deal, make we share money. I dey active. I dey deliver like Hebrew women on a steady. Yes, drop. I go paste you the wallet now. Make them credit. Make we share money. I dey active. 247. Okay. Nwoke na transact everywhere.
Hey, Omoma Asal.
Enasa PTC.
Our daughter. Omoma Asal.
Greetings, my elders.
You're welcome. This young man here, he is here to make his intentions known to us.
Yes.
The question is, will you marry him?
Yes,
Case closed. You can go.
So in our call, are you not asking us to take all these things that he came with?
Yes, Nai.
I'm a guy.
Yeah, well,
I hope you're okay.
Why not? She's fine.
My son, you're welcome.
Nwoke ji ihe. This is BTC. Okay. For accepting me, BTC Lord. This is for you. For smiling for me. For accepting Onyankonelo. For your transport. Mama, I want to punch in some coin into your BTC wallet because I want you to get it before I leave here. I can punch it. I want to surprise that you have your BTC wallet immediately.
Ejike, I know how you feel. But it's okay now. You don't have to do this to yourself.
I feel betrayed. humiliated and insulted.
My friend, nothing bad has happened. Yes.
You don't understand, Sam.
No, I do understand.
No, you don't. I sacrificed my joy and happiness for these people. We had an agreement to make our family a formidable one after they are done schooling and have gotten jobs. Before thinking about marriage. God, why would you let this happen now? Why?
I know how you feel. I know how terrible you feel. Okay. But since it's like this, I will advise you to get married and forget about whatever agreement you all had. Let's focus on you now.
It's not going to be easy, Sam. It's not.
I know. But you have to man up now. You are broken, you are shattered, you are disappointed, you are betrayed, all of that. In one body. That will be too heavy for you to carry. Get married, focus on yourself. That looks like the only way out now.
Do exactly as I say. Or blow your brains off. Do you understand?
Yes.
Am I clear?
Yes. Yes.
Oh, honey, I have a surprise for you.
Surprise?
Yes.
You know that I love surprise so much. Please tell me, what is the surprise all about?
I want you to guess.
Hassan, you know very well that BTC lot is not good in guessing. Just tell me direct.
Come on, honey, just guess.
I am not good in guessing because you know, but this surprise.
It's fine. I'll tell you.
I'll go ahead. Please, one
We are expecting a baby.
Ha! My love,
No, why would I play with something as sensitive as this? I'm serious.
It's a lie.
I'm not joking, I'm pregnant.
And you keep it to yourself alone all this while?
I just wanted to make sure we were done with the whole introduction, and now we are done. The news is here.
I am super proud of you.
Thank you.
Listen, my darling, come on, walk. Thank you so much, my beautiful baby. You know what?
What?
We are going to celebrate this.
Okay.
Now tell me, where are we going to celebrate this?
Wonderful news. Okay, I'll just leave it up to you. Wherever you're taking me, it's fine.
Listen, no. I want you to tell me wherever you want. All funds are available. Money is very long.
I know.
We're going to party. Just tell me where you want us to go. Tell me.
I know. Wherever you're taking me, it's fine. Okay.
It will do you some good if you go straight to the point. As you can see, I'm just coming back from work.
which represents my deepest desire.
I'm listening.
Okay, I like you.
I don't like you.
At least you would have allowed me to land before interrupting me.
I know where you were headed. And I'm telling you that I don't like you, so use the gate.
Okay, maybe you're not in a good mood, but I'll be back some other time.
Don't come back here again. What? What in God's name are you doing here?
I came to see you.
Why?
The last time I visited your place, I discovered you were angry, so that was why you spoke to me in such manner.
I was not angry.
Okay, then we can have a fair discussion.
There is absolutely nothing to discuss with you.
Can I ask you a question?
Go ahead.
Why do you hate me so much?
For the record, I don't hate you.
Okay, so it is un-Nigerian for a woman to ask a man out.
It's actually un-African, but that's not the issue.
So what's the issue?
The issue is that I don't want to marry you. It's that simple.
Did I do anything wrong to you? You can tell me, I'll change.
I hate it when people ask stupid questions just like you're doing now. What's difficult in what I just told you?
Okay. I'm sorry. I have to go now.
Please go and don't come back. Yes, Mom, I did.
What did he say?
He advised that you come for checkup every week.
Here! The doctor, check up.
Take him for here.
Won't that be too expensive for you? Eh?
Mom, health first. You have to be going there every week to make sure that this is sorted. What are you doing here?
You should even tell us a welcome first. Or tell me a welcome at least. I brought her.
Why would you bring her to my house without informing me?
Apologies, but her coming is for a reason.
Whatever reason it is, has been sorted out between she and I. So I don't know why you would bring her here without letting me know.
Is that true?
Somehow, but all I want is...
I don't need you. Leave my place! I'm serious, I will push you out if you don't leave.
No, please. I'm not going to allow you to do that to a lady. Okay? Please. Chidima,
yes.
You have to go now. I'll get back to you later.
All right.
Yes.
Okay, bye.
That was the wrong approach.
You didn't have to bring her to this place without letting me know. Allah Diana put that game.
you're ready to talk. So let's talk.
Sincerely going to regret this.
Can you just shut up? Just shut up.
You and I know you're too basic to keep me quiet.
You call me basic. You call me basic. But I was able to bring your black ass here and tied you up.
You know I am. If you know what is good for you, release me from here. But you're going to face the consequences.
Face the consequences? Huh? Face what consequences?
Remove your filthy, smelling drug and stop me.
You know I could just kill you right now. And nobody would know.
Get your filthy, smelling drugs hands off me. Now.
Bastard. Listen. I am going to call Ejike. And you will have to talk to him. Tell him that the call you put across to him was a mistake. That you did it out of heartbreak because I dumped your ass. Tell him that was why you called.
I do no such thing. Never, ever. I won't do it.
I see. You've got so much guts. Now let me see how far your guts will take you by the time I start plucking all these hairs and those nails you have on your fingers. Let me see how far your guts can take you.
You already have me where you want. Do your worst. Do your worst. I've seen this part of you before anyway.
Patrick.
My name.
Patrick.
Yeah, that's my name.
I'll give you time. Time to think about this. But I'll come back. I will come back.
Well, there is no need of you going and wasting your time because there is nothing to think about. Do your worst. Do whatsoever thing you want to do.
Why? Everything I do is for you to see that you are.
Yeah, hi. Guess the phone call that woke me up this morning. Ejike, my friend. And guess who he was asking after? He was asking after you. In fact, he said he's been calling you repeatedly without any luck of getting through to you. Yes, I told him you have relocated to the UK and you had your number changed. Well, I can't say specifically why he wants to get to you. But you can call him if you can. I'm sure he'll really appreciate that. Yes. All right.
Why? Everything I do is for you to see that you are living a good life. I want a good future for you guys.
You don't seem happy to see me.
Maybe.
Maybe. Anyways, I observed you no longer come home on holidays.
And I don't intend to come back to your house ever again.
Why?
If you're asking me why as if you don't know the reason.
If I knew, I wouldn't be asking you.
Okay, fine. Since you don't know the reason, I will gladly tell you the reason.
Please do.
Ever since I discovered that you operate with some dark powers, I decided to stop coming to your house.
What?
Brother, you asked me to explain, right? So why not allow me to land? Your plan was to use myself and Justina for ritual to further boost your wealth. So when we are done with school and have a good job, we even plan to mortgage our own future for your own personal interest. But the good Lord we serve, the Almighty God we serve, revealed your secret to us, so we decided to distance ourselves from you.
This is ridiculous. What nonsense are you talking about?
But you pretend as if you don't know what I'm saying.
What rubbish truth are you saying?
Brother, you slapped me?
And I will slap the hell out of you if you lie against me again. Have you gone insane?
I will allow this to go just for one reason. Just for one reason. You evil man.
Lawrence, after all my sacrifice for this family, Moa, onye ogwu ego.
Everything I do is for you, to see that you are living a good life.
You see, I am not that bad after all. I brought you food. So eat.
Yeah.
Poison you.
No, never have.
You think if I had wanted you dead, you wouldn't have been dead by now? Huh?
Really? I hear you.
You need to eat to be alive. We have a lot to do.
Operative, don't you understand? No, no, it's by force.
Eat and stay alive.
Yep. Children, do not eat my goal. Do not pick my goal. Do not pick my goal.
So I discovered that you hacked my phone. That was how you got Ejike's number.
Yeah.
Just scanned through my phone and I will delete every app you have here.
You don't have to. I'll call Ejike. I'll tell Ejike whatever thing you want me to tell you. Don't go through my phone. Don't delete anything.
I knew it. I knew it that your phone was your weak point. Good. Now we have a deal. Eat your food. We know you're done. I'll be right back. We'll have a lot to talk about. Eat your food.
Why would they want me dead? The siblings I am finding for.
Don't you think you're making a silly mistake here?
Silly mistake, you say?
Yes.
I thought I've told you the genesis of everything that happened. Why are you making me look so stupid?
Frank, why are you not saying what is so glaring before you? You shouldn't have insulted your brother the way you did. Over what? Over a prophecy you're yet to verify?
Wait a minute, Franca. Who are you? Huh? My advisor or what?
Someone who cares. A lot of people have made the same mistake. So why are you in a haste to make the same mistake?
Franca, let that be my headache. Alright? But let me tell you something. I don't want to hear this from anyone else. If I should do, you will not like the way I will react to you if you disobey my instructions.
Lawrence, I just pity people who fall victims to these fake prophets looking for people to extort money from.
Dedicated my life for family, treating them with love and care. Being a father figure, putting them first in everything. I kept my happiness aside, trying to give the best to my siblings. But is this what I get in return? Hey,
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Fine. You said you wanted to see me?
Yes.
I would appreciate it if we go straight to the point.
Okay, truth is, I just want to apologize for the way I treated you in the past. I know I have treated you very badly, so I want to say I'm sorry.
HK, it's fine. You explained to me why you didn't want to marry me, and I perfectly understand. We don't need to go over this again and again.
Yeah, but that's not the only reason I called to see you. I have also reflected upon it, and I want to give you a second chance in my life.
HK, this is coming too late.
How do you mean?
I'm married now.
Wow. Congratulations.
Thank you. I guess I can go now, right?
Yeah, sure. My regards to your man.
He would hear. To have a beautiful day.
And you too.
Since my son got back yesterday, he has not been himself. He has been agonizing and lamenting.
I can understand, Mom. He felt really betrayed.
Betrayed by who?
By his siblings, Lawrence and Justina. He can't come to terms with the unfounded allegations leveled against him. He's yet to come to terms with reality, with the things they said about him.
Do you know he never mentioned any of this to me? That is why I called you. Because I know as his best friend, he would have confided in you.
Yes, he did. I don't know who they listen to. I don't know who brainwashed them. For them to think that my friend, AGK, has been a ritual all his life, and he has been planning to hijack their destinies.
What?
Oh yes. I am as shocked as you are. I never believed that a human being could be this deceived.
Justina and Lawrence?
Oh yes.
God.
I'm broken myself.
What is this?
I'm broken myself.
What am I going to do? How do I handle this? Are you sure of what you're saying? Yes, he said he wanted to talk to me.
Yes.
All right, I'm listening.
Why are you wearing that long face? What is going on?
Excuse me, what's funny? When you and your brother decided to ruin the love, the peace and oneness we enjoyed in this family, what were you thinking? When you decided to destroy everything your brother labored so hard to build up over the years, what were you expecting? A joyful song from me? Or what exactly?
It's unfortunate you do not know that what is coming is far better than whatever he has built, Mom.
Why are you so ungrateful? Justina, I ask you, why are you being ungrateful?
Mom, I'm not. It's unfortunate you do not understand.
And why have you decided to be saying damaging words against your own brother? Why?
Mom, I'm not even here to talk about HK. Here, this is my wedding invitation.
What? You want to wed without traditional marriage?
Anyways, our case men calculated everything the Ibanku entails, and my husband paid in full. So has they declared me his wife?
Justina, you had the nerves to have your traditional marriage without our consent. And now, you went ahead to fix your wedding date without our contribution?
Well, Mom, I'm sorry everything is happening fast. I didn't really envisage it to be that way. I hope you get to understand.
Very well then. Since everything is happening fast, I guess I and my son are not even needed in the wedding because I'm so sure he's not even aware of what is going on.
Now listen, Mom. If HGK were to be the only family member that I have alive, I cannot invite him to my wedding.
Justina, you and Lawrence are running on a very wrong direction. And I want to let you know, I want you to have this at the back of your mind, that no matter how fast you think you are running, you can never, emphasis on never, can never get to your destination.
I see he has bewitched you, Mom. I totally understand. But guess what? I'm not even here to banter words with you. Thank God for the supportive kinsmen who are already proven to be the family that I need. Thank God for them. And here is your card.
Get out. Get out! You want me to call the securities on you? Get out with your lousy wedding. Get out!
Your card is here, Mom.
Can you imagine? Is the M43 for me? You went ahead, did your traditional marriage without informing us, and now you want to wed. You think I am looking for an occasion to attend?
You sent for me?
Yes. Please sit down.
Okay.
Lawrence.
BTC Lord.
I want to welcome you officially. Or should I say, I want to introduce you officially to the world of cryptocurrency. Are you ready?
Always ready and standing by.
Good. You know, I do trading.
You told me that already.
Good. And I do 30% genuine, 70% illegal.
How do you mean?
Good. I trade 30% genuine with my genuine customers, while 70% I do fraud. You understand? We give them the story they need to hear. As a child story, I men and smiling. Oh, you be. I don't know if you understand my point now.
I understand you.
Just come this way and take a good look of what I am talking about. Are you seeing this now? Very one here now. This woman is paying nothing less than 400,000 USD.
$400,000
by month end. This very woman here.
Hey.
Are you seeing it?
Yes.
This is exactly what I'm talking about.
Okay.
In my master bedroom, I have a bigger monitor. Yes, where I don't monitor my things in my private office.
Okay.
You understand? So that is what I mean by 70% fraud.
And 30%
illegal. Genuine ones is like there are formats. I will get you a new system like this.
Okay.
Then I will now log in some tools There are things we use in working. You understand? So just get ready. In your hobby.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
It is a Lord the second.
Chooks, I have a simple question for you, and I want to go straight to the point. I want you to answer me. Why have you not been picking my calls? Why are you avoiding my calls?
I'm so surprised you are still repeating the question.
That is because you have not given me what I want to hear. You have not said what I want to hear. Why are you avoiding my calls? And every time I send you messages, you deliberately don't reply them.
Okay, fine. All right? Since you want to hear the reason why I've been avoiding your calls, right? Okay. I am done. Yes, I've moved on. And I expect you to do the same.
What?
Oh yes, you heard me. It is over between us. I tried to explain this by not picking your call, but obviously you are so daft that you cannot read the handwriting on the wall.
Chooks.
Yes?
You. Don. What was I even thinking in the first place to have dated you? What was I thinking?
So you have forgotten so soon. Now let me remind you. You needed money badly. So I discovered that, and then I found a way to give you some change, and you fed for it.
You are an idiot. You are a very stupid idiot. That is what you are. An idiot.
I'm holding my peace, because if anyone should be an idiot here, it is you, not me. You left a guy that loves you genuinely. A guy that can give it up for you. But no, you decided to follow me because of the change you're going to get from me.
You dodged my slap.
No, let me warn you. Let me warn you, Mary. If your hand touches me, I swear to God, you're not going to use this hand for 1 week. What's wrong with you?
Chooks, it has gotten to the point that I want to slap you, dodge it. Eh?
See, let me give you the last warning. The next time I see you any inch close to my compound again, I'm going to deal with you. Now leave this place.
Hey!
Nonsense.
Chooks!
Don't ever call my name again. You left somebody that loves you because of money, because of material things. Leave this place now before I call the cops on you.
Hey, Chooks.
Idiot.
Chooks. Hey, Merit. I have messed up. You. Hey.
Justin.
Who owns this car?
Oh, that's my car.
Your car how? That expensive car you own.
Hold on. The best in-law in the world brought me into his business of cryptocurrency. And guess what? Just one trade, like one trade, gave me the money I used to purchase that car you just saw.
Wait, is that how it works?
You've not seen anything yet, my dear sister.
Wait. You're serious that's your car?
Our car.
Congrats!
Thank you very much, dear sister.
Bro, yes. This is an expensive car. Come on, this car's for celebration. Wait, let me go and see the car very well.
You can't stop that, baby. I swear. I don't see that. Just send me your goods, don't worry. Make I credit you sharp. Yeah, send them. I will credit you ASAP. No fear. Alright. Well, thank you very much, eh? Nice doing business with you. We are listening.
Is it true that you both labeled your brother evil and deserted him?
We did not only label him evil. We are very much aware that he is an occultic man.
And let me tell you something, Mr. Sam, or whatever your name is called. I did cook akpo for Ejike. And once that akpo done, once the akpo where the cook for Ejike done, I swear to God who made me, I will kill Ejike. I will make sure I kill Ejike.
I can't believe myself. I can't believe you both are saying this after everything Ejike did for you guys.
And what exactly did he do for us that we can actually do for ourselves?
My sister, ask him. Ask him!
Is this coming from the two of you? You are saying this about your brother, Ejike, the one I know. How can you? Let me even ask you. Who told you that Ejike is an occultic man after everything he did for you guys?
Nobody told us anything.
The Lord, the Almighty God, revealed it to us.
Yes.
Hey. Is it the same God that I know? No, if it's the same God that I know, he cannot reveal this kind of thing to you. Maybe another God. The Lord has revealed to you wrongly. Yes, if I were you both, I would have just gone back to him quietly, apologize to him, and seek for his forgiveness.
We will do no such thing. Yes.
Okay, sir. Are you done with the reason you came? No, yes, let's go. This man no get talk, I think.
Once you are done, that is the door.
Lawrence, Justina, who are you both listening to? Who are you talking?
Oh, why?
Lady Cynthia, how did it go with Patrick?
I had to let him walk.
I thought you wanted him dead.
Yes, I wanted him dead. But on a second thought, I just had to let him go.
Lady Cynthia, Patrick is not the kind of guy you allow go like that. You know why? He will certainly fight back.
No, he wouldn't. I disarmed him before letting him go.
How do you mean?
I came to return your phone.
It's obvious you already deleted my apps and my tracking devices.
Yes.
Cynthia, let me go.
Yes,
please.
I did.
Then let me go. Please.
Of course I will let you go. The good thing is, I have succeeded in getting you off my neck with this your tracking system. So now, you're free to go. You are a free man now.
But there's no way I can untie myself. You need to untie me.
Figure it out yourself. The door is open.
Lady Cynthia, you would have just killed that guy in that dark room.
Frank, sincerely, I wanted to kill him. I wanted to do that. But all the good things he did for me while we were together just surfaced. They were right in front of me. It stood for him. I couldn't just stand pulling the trigger. I just had to let him go.
Patrick is deadly. Read my lips. Patrick is so deadly. He will certainly fight back.
He wouldn't do a thing like that.
How sure are you?
I am very sure of that. Wouldn't.
Who allowed you in?
I saw the gate open, so I just walked in.
So what do you want?
Baby, I am sorry. I am sorry for everything I did to you. I don't know what came over me. And I am here to tell you that it will never happen again.
Of course, it will never happen again because I am not going to give you the chance to hurt my feelings ever again. Now get out.
I'm sorry. Remember the times we shared together. And please.
Listen to me. By the time I go out there and come back, I don't want to meet you here.
Lawrence, baby. Lawrence.
What are you still doing here?
Baby, I'm sorry.
Listen to me. Point of correction. I am not your baby, okay?
Please. I know I messed up.
Oh, thank God you know you messed up.
But let me fix things. Let me make amends. I'll fix it. Please.
Listen to me. Number one, I am not your love. Okay? Because you ceased to be my love the very first day you made a caricature of me in the public.
I know. But like I said, let me fix things. Let me make amends. I will do it. I'll fix everything that I've destroyed, please.
Now listen to me. I am not interested. And there will be nothing like amendment in this relationship. Okay? Listen to me. I don't want to see you in my house again. Alright? Good.
Lawrence. Lawrence.
You want my food to burn?
No, I don't want your food to burn.
What? Okay, tell me.
Listen, I ordered the latest ML350 for you. Don't shout.
It's a lie, it's a lie, it's a lie. Honey, you're lying now, it's not true. ML what?
350, latest model for you.
Honey, it's not too much.
Ego the word. Money too long, you will have your own share.
I love you, thank you so much. Are you serious?
So just go and concentrate on your cooking.
How can I concentrate? I'm off in that food. Jesus! Oh my gosh, honey, thank you. Is it like I'm calling my brother?
This is the BTC Lord. Oh, anything for you.
Mrs.
I was busy inside when you called.
Please. I want you to help me speak to Lawrence.
Talk to Lawrence about what?
We had a little misunderstanding, and since then, he has refused to talk to me.
What exactly did you do?
It's personal.
Really? It's personal. On that note, I would have to go. There's no need.
No. Okay, I'll talk. He saw me with another man, and since then he has refused to talk to me. He's upset with me.
Well, he actually told me what you did to him at the mall. You know what? Girls like you do not deserve a second chance in a man's life.
Please don't talk like that, please.
Yes, you are just like a fair weather friend. When the going is good, you are in there. And when it's not, the ship sinks. Sorry to disappoint you. I cannot talk to my brother.
Please, see, I'm sorry.
I would like to know what Ejike, your brother, did to both of you that made you desert him.
Mom, your son Ejike is evil.
Will you shut up? Will you shut up, Lawrence? So if you see evil, won't you recognize it? At your age, if you see evil, won't you recognize it?
Mom, the thing is that you can't even understand.
I do not want to understand anything. In fact, I don't care. All I want is this madness to end here and now.
Mom, Ejike, your son deserves to die. And I will kill him at the appropriate time.
Look at you. Look at you. Do you have any proof to your claim? Can you prove it?
Mom, see, when we are ready to deal with him, we'll give you all the proof you need.
Aha! You see? That means you have no proof to your claims. You have no proof at all to your claim that he is evil. You just embarked on a journey of calling names to justify your ungrateful act. Shame on you. Shame on both of you.
Mom, I can see you don't have any other thing to say. So we beg to leave.
Yes. Of course.
Let's go.
Whatever. But I want to make this known to you. You see this nonsense both of you are cooking up. You see this nonsense both of you are cooking up will certainly backfire. And when that time comes, you will come begging.
Never.
Oh, really? Now listen to me. As long as Ejike, my son, is not evil, as long as his hands are clean, it will backfire, and I pray by then it will not be too late for the both of you.
You know what, Lawrence? Let's go. Mom has always taken sides with his son. Let's go. There's no need arguing. I don't even know why we came here.
Ah, God. What is happening to my children? What is happening to my children? Why are they fighting against their own blood brother? What has come over them? What is this? This is not how I raised them up. This is not how I raised them up, God. Oh. What is this?
Tell your boss that the operatives of the Economic and Financial Crime Commission are here to see him now.
Okay, sir.
That was join, so please let yourself come sit.
Hey, good dogs. Okay. You have received the cement, right? Good. Just wait. They have paid for the tithes. Soon you will... Don't worry. Don't worry. In the next, let's say 25 minutes, the cement will be there. Okay? I have some gentlemen here in my house. Let me attend to them. Thank you. Gentlemen, what are you doing in my mansion?
We are operatives of the EFCC.
Oh, you're welcome. Just sit down and make yourself comfortable. What do you want? I have Dom Perignon, I have Hennessy, I have Moet. What do you care for? Let me entertain you guys.
Well, unfortunately, we're not here for all that.
So, what is the problem? Why are you here?
You're under arrest for cyber crimes and all related offenses.
Cyber Guinea. Young men, you guys are at the wrong place. I don't deal on such business. I am a legit businessman. I deal on foreign ties, foreign doors. I do supply sand. You just heard me answer a call not quite long ago. I'm talking to my clients. I don't engage myself on such a dirty transaction. No, they called me Onyego in Mbo. I have shop in Mbo, so I don't know what you're talking about.
Enough! I can see your marketing skills. But you explain better when you get to the office. Please move. Move.
Let me make it right. I will offer 5 million naira each.
The order is to bring you to the office and you must follow us.
Okay, I understand maybe you got back to go. Look, I am offering 15 million naira for each of you. Oyenka 15, Oyenka 15, can't do no bangway.
Don't get this more complicated for yourself.
These ones are not businessmen. Alright, I will go, but I am going with my car. I told them that hit me. I'm going with my car.
The people that will seal this house and everything you have are waiting outside. But we go in our car. You need to go now. Everything you have will be sealed until this case is done. Move. Move.
What is it?
I have something to tell you. Though I would have told you earlier before now.
Okay, I'm listening.
Duke asked me to invest with him. Like, he made me an offer to invest with him, and I accepted.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. That's good. How much did you invest?
87 million naira. And that is all I have in my account.
87 million naira?
Yeah.
So how much are you expected to make?
400 million naira.
400 million? Oh, that's a lot. You know what? You're in safe hands. You don't even need to worry yourself.
Man, that your Duke is really into money.
You can say that again.
I want to thank you for bringing such a man into our family.
Please excuse me, Joyce. You're not your brother-in-law.
Swear to God.
Please don't be saying it before they will kidnap you.
Listen to me. Once that money lands, I will buy you a car.
How many cars will I be driving?
Drive on your cars in the world, man. Come on, you deserve it.
Okay, you know what? Let's go home. So you actually packed to tell me this. Let's go, just start the car. 400 million.
Yeah.
Wow, who do we have here?
Hello.
How are you doing? Please sit.
Fine. How are you?
I'm good. I was told you traveled out of the country. Sam told me.
Yeah, I did.
Oh, great. When did you come back?
Last night.
You're welcome. How was your trip?
It was beautiful.
I can see. You look different and you look radiating.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So what do I offer you?
I just came for us to talk. I don't want anything. I'm fine.
Don't tell me you're turning down my cola.
Not at all.
What do I offer you?
Okay. Anything, I'm good.
Fine. Anne, please get me a bottle of wine and 2 glasses. Look at you have changed.
Really?
You're looking so beautiful now.
Thank you so much.
I guess that country favored you.
I never knew you could be this funny.
Sometimes, but not always.
But maybe it's me. I always meet you in a bad mood. I don't know.
Not really. So why did you decide to come see me?
But first, I want to let you know that I got back from the UK because of you.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I hope I'm safe.
Of course you're safe. I also want to let you know that I am still unmarried. But maybe I'll be getting married soon.
Of course you'll be getting married soon, because I will marry you.
What? Wait. You're kidding, right?
I've never been this serious all my life. I've been looking for you everywhere, and here you are in front of me. Please marry me.
Of course.
You will?
Yes.
Oh my God, thank you. Thank you so much.
Sealed by what?
EFCC.
How can they sell our house?
I don't know. What's going on here?
What of my husband?
Just do you know what? Call Duke on phone.
But why would they sell our house?
Call Duke first.
Oh my God, is it possible they locked him inside?
Let's go inside. What happened?
His phone is switched off.
No, it can't be. Try it again. Try it again. EFCC? Why?
Are you Mr. Lawrence? You are under arrest for internet fraud and other related offenses.
Sir, please, he's
Woman,
innocent.
stay out of this.
He's my brother, he's innocent, he did not do anything.
Gentlemen, do you know what? Move, Mr. Man, let's go.
Excuse me. Sir, brother, let me explain to you.
Do you know you are moving? I know. Mr. Man, listen.
Brother, let me tell you.
Do you know this talk of made up? Mr. Man, move it.
Listen, we can settle this, okay?
Brother, let me tell you
Listen, we can settle this.
Brother, yes.
Do you know what?
Brother.
Woman, stay out of this.
I will give you 10 million. 20 million.
I will give you money.
I know. I will.
Why? Everything I do is for you, to see that you are living a good life. Hey, I want a good future for you guys. Hey, my siblings, my all, my family is my priority. But something come, they confuse me.
Feel good. I need it, I would na. I feel good. Mom, good evening.
No.
Mama.
Good night.
Mama.
AGK mo.
Oh, get in there, man.
I haven't seen you this excited in a very long time.
I know. God has answered my prayers.
Really?
Yes.
So, testimony time.
I found the woman of my dreams.
Whoa! Are you saying that you are considering marriage?
Yes, Mom.
Oh my God!
the best news of today.
No, it is the best news of my entire life.
You can say that again. So, who is she?
I can see you can't wait to meet her.
I can't wait!
Not to worry, Mom. I invited her for the weekend, so I'll explain everything when she comes. You get to meet her, please.
I can't wait! Weekend, where are you? Just go!
I
know! Hey!
I know, Mom.
Congratulations, my
Thank
son.
you, Mom.
Hey!
Let me go upstairs and freshen up. I'll be back in a jiffy.
Oh my God.
So good! Pam, pam, so good! Pam, pam!
Latest groom! Hey! So finally, my son is about to get married. And I will be the latest grandmother. It's my time and my turn. It's my time. The latest grandmother. It's my turn and my time.
In this kind of dream, yeah. Why would they want me dead? The siblings I am fending for. Why would they want me down? My siblings I am giving everything.
What do I do now? Where do I find this prophet? He's the only one that has solutions to this problem. Hey.
Prophet is not a prophet. Yes. He thrives on manipulating people, then extort money from them. If you still find him, he's going to manipulate you and still collect money from you.
How do you know this?
I know it because his cover has been blown and he's on the run.
Wait, do you mean that everything he told me is a lie?
Lies is an understatement. The right word to use for that man is scam. He's a scammer. Yes, one Mr. Patrick was actually handling the phone. He hacked all the number that was connected to your brother's phone because he was trying to get to him because your brother slept with one of the girls.
Hey, I'm finished. Merit, I'm finished with. You mean everything he told me about Brother GK is a lie?
Yes, it's a lie. They're fraudsters. All they do is break homes.
Will Brother GK ever forgive you?
It's okay.
I am finished.
See, look. You just have to make amends if you've already acted on based on what you heard. Okay?
I thought he was real. I thought he was a man of God.
It's okay. You don't cry. It's okay.
Brother GK.
It's okay. You understand? It's not your fault.
It's not my fault. It's not my fault. It's not my. This man deceived me and my brother.
That's what fraudsters do. They deceive.
So this man is a fake prophet.
Yes.
He's a fake prophet.
Scammer.
Hey. Who will I do? Who will I do?
The day is here.
Mom.
Are you saying you don't want to get involved at all?
Yeah.
Look, Loris may be jailed and Justina homeless. For some time now, she has been staying in the hotel. And I'm sure very soon her money will run out.
Mom, you were here when they packed their things and left this house, calling me names. Accusing me of all sorts. Exactly the same thing I've been dreaming about. And you want me to dismiss all of that?
Agunaya, it's me. Please, no matter what, they are still your siblings. They only acted like children that they are.
Mom, our appointment at the registry is for 1 p.m. It's 12 noon already. My wife and her people would have been on their way now. I cannot be late for my own wedding now. What are you doing here?
Please, you need to calm down. Regardless, she's still your kid sister. And you don't have to do anything that will make us regret. Please.
Rico.
Brother, please. We were deceived by the prophecy. It was never our intention to hurt you.
Today is a special day for me. I don't want you to destroy it. Sam, let's go.
Bro, please, I've not come to destroy it. I actually came to be part of it. Because you gave Larissa and I every reason to succeed.
Yet you went out there to ruin my name? Did you ever think of me? Did you ever think how I could go through all of that if not that Mama was with me?
Oh, please, I'm sorry. I don't have any other person. You're the only one I have, please. Please.
Agonaya, for my sake, please forgive. Forgive her, please. For my sake.
Well, it's okay. We have a wedding to attend, okay? Get everybody ready. Let's be off.